Ghana. Here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap under running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. Ago.
Your number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM edit the most educative radio sports show edit Ebramo efri Ejuada ekosi memeda na Ejuada ekosi fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pa husima aduana ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pa husima aduanan ekosi ewia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa ekosi no nan eno so yato ne din Playoff na yede memeda de no so ede asomo so don hwere miensa ena memeda bia yetena se free anopa nonkono ekosi ewia dumienu jumade ho chiame
samno de nyina na yabo no ayede eba e ojumade me bright kan kambodu
kwabena open afie OB twice
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and they say born here bebo
Christian Edu say
what he say on the premise in also just the boss was that this will uncle be yes
amana nsem na eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and na Najman Bomodia said the bia o message our program way na the global show.
Show 104.5. Yawazoye. Anything na yede obra at 1 eba onchen. Ye from your sofu nearby Efe Amano. Ubeti ya from Lady Amano. Mayenshia fi juada kosi efiada. Obra at 1 p.m. pepepe. Encheche bebre wom. Adisua ewom. Ememe esu. Emma esu. Enkwada esre. Ye tua school fees. Ni ehwe bia yaresa. Na ye bobi ema omo nya adwuma. How be na wom. Mayenshia 1 p.m. Debiarada. Juada kwesi efiada
manu player back pe no ne be mate ho wo sis dey see yen nyina no wamba hospital ni buofu de de wo ko ya wo say e Canada wo ye nwie wo sa akọ ne na sa akọ trase o wie ye now ama na sa anyi biem wo ba ya wo kan nyina wanka ma na no kra mentese wo mensia e ye feeling so
Abiwa news na mitie
asem wo ho me se me di asam nam police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bo be ma na guso adai eya binwa ha
Soko
abiwa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensam ahodo a eba so no ene enya abotatwitwa ne nkakra ede brawo
eno ti hia ye memre da bia ebra dumienu abob ere kwapem se dumienu bebo apan mu
ensam a wo bete no ebi areho
kramani jina me ba no ta feeling moja na me ai na mkache mama sema kramani na kumi ba no
ebi so asere
na o me ma wo sitase ahodo de bi she
bajai
sa stars the day pa na no de ma wo team says what they are more wa feel pa
this me kuntuno
abi
Soko
People of Ghana, here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap and running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. Ago, good people of Ghana, here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap and running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. Ago, good people of Ghana, here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap and running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners.
Begin the Nhyira akwasi Jesse Nyameche when ya sanka the policeman or charge na ni sabre ya bia yenina abo ehu COVID-19 and nti wabra many passenger for kofie ansa na obefo trotro and as a commercial car bia he said in some of the only sanitizer aye afei wabra wetu scary Jones sanso sanitizer fire inside we do feel no abo inside yenina yen kofie ne fe je empire ya de e wo chi Nhyira no na kofie inside.
Nhyira FM.
In fact, when you be property, I say, what you say, this is physical distance and social distance, and you can bear to in fact, don't follow the airports where you was. As an argument about what they say, almost started some of the preventive etiquette in Tamar, they could have even cut infection rate in some cases by about 50% in some places. That's how effective social distancing and preventive etiquette. No. Second, essential imposing restrictions. Border are two. Schools are two. Social gatherings, they are banning. They are tablet to win. So, religious gatherings, they are tablet to win. So, near money, a good issue under some circumstances, conferences near they bring they are banning. They are tablet to win. They are also Mampani can say, you to me, it's nothing near the simple general surveillance. You know, I bet they are only be one mind to be so here they are 200. In fact, there's an African country also over the Omonia case beside this because some can say we use general surveillance and what's not so people don't know our bar. The album usually about 7 to 14 days late. I mean, 1, 2, the album is often not almost starting
Nhyira FM. Nhyira FM.
Tracing and testing of at-risk populations. To say, yeah, about the testing, upon testing, or more, you say, so you maybe a little bit when you acquire a necessary number that 1042. Then the last thing on Penika and said, and Kraini Kumasi, not the 14 other regions, and Kraini Kumasi and the contiguous districts like you were alluding to here. But the partial lockdown so that help for all to me a brain. Now, to me, actually, what it takes to get ahead of the virus. Getting ahead of the virus, any day. One person will go with positive rate. And I'll explain the difference between a positive rate and in some cases what they call the infection rate. That is the rate of new cases. But one person will go real positive rate. That will remember what I say. Two person will be a friend of the dynamics of the virus. In fact, the dynamism of the virus group. 3% with the geographical footprint, current and potential. This is the target we set for ourselves. Company and part 2 is down the line of buy and say. The Jumanaka come on maybe. In the end, one we can count on movie. Now, senior, if you are saying, data don't science in a better than the man 1 more week. And no buy and say, data and science above. And I mean, maybe between 2 weeks, run. The composite positive rate and say you see the expression infection rate. They move much from Sahara 1.3%. They share that with and in fact, as at that time, it's a Tuesday the press before 1.3%. 1 week down the line, almost started to get back or going about the count 1.5%. In fact, some of the epidemiologists look at it and say, and share composite now because also Oma a quarantine and a controlled cohort. Oma they acquire 5.6. But I know, and yet the real infection rate in the Ghanaian population. Homophobia, if you have been treated by those who are parents of it, some of them are using it. If you look at you say routine surveillance 2.27, so far to change because I know they are working on acquiring one will have to for mobile. See, one can say, what talk about finding out here, and you're 1.7. The one of the here.
But and also might not give us the true picture, and I say so based on WHO. Some person will left in lockdown, for example. The first thing we look at is what holds transmission. When you know really current transmission, because what can say a lot of these cases be a backlog of samples and you go and I think I hear testing in a result. So what will be the current transmission that we speak today? Meaning,
we actually say we will do production for some and I'm happy to say one tries to go to but we use exactly what they are talking about, halting of the transmission. Now, the other one is said different countries use different metrics to answer this question. There's no single answer to this question. Who could be to say
Nhyira FM?
Who follow their governor, who will they call for a year? Who you see, I'm saying rate of new infections, daily rate of new infections, and a rate of hospitalization. What are they talking about? Often what they are doing is Oma, it's general surveillance. Oma, Ayare, Abaya, Sabia, testing on a daily basis. And no problem on mobile. Omo a certain fixed quantum of tests they are able to run in a day. And no Omo more analysis, like I said, therefore, extrapolate we know daily rate of new infections. Now, I'm the annual program, so okay, so daily rate of new infections. Let's slow down. And you're my dear, and I'll explain why. Norway, any Germany, I'm also using a different approach to answer the same question. Yeah, Ghana say, hey, who feels here? Who will Gucci? Any case you see? Sabre, if I know the same person who process it by 800 swab samples a day. Team you swab samples a day.
800 swab
samples a day. I'm like, I say, by enhanced testing. I'm on my associate. Swabs near the end. Say, I see a shit me more samples. I say, you use your friend of hospital. Now, we are putting the sugar crack bottle. No, not processing. You know, I had your friend RNA extraction. And some of the babies, PCR. If you are my whole, then also take 800. Around the same time, I also did more processing and they say labs. I can go to show up. They say they are more share and they say between 2,000 to 3,000 a day. We need to get it. Then nowadays try to find out how daily infections. It took us all follow America for formula now. You have and this is what must be able to be in you and accept this. It is our formula. Some Americans are dealing with different countries use different approaches even in answering the same question. The closest we can come to SAR 1.09, which is the enhanced surveillance, admittedly said but the closest because the majority of the people you are finding in that bracket, in fact, close to all, only asymptomatic cases. I said, from our reading, where early exposures, would be why exposed, but on Yari. Because Senka, Adia, Endum Pempens will be compact, negative. They say, man, they work mandatory quarantine, testing only negative. I trade with them. But the status of Oma is a process that get me back until now to get information to take a decision. And the information we have now, which is the 1.09, in our view, gives us a baseline for answering the question of transmission. Now let me explain. Say a rate near 1.09. The question now really becomes, and then now we are not practice our 1.09 down. First of all, you go back to number 4. You need kind of preventive etiquette. And I make a choice to follow what is happening elsewhere. Some of them are even arguing and say, almost started preventive etiquette in terms of social distancing. You have cut some of the rates by about 50%. Into 1.09, we will guesstimate. But can you say preventive etiquette? Admitted, like you said, say we are backward. But when you start doing preventive etiquette, cutting it to 1.0. Now that second level, they also observe all these restrictions. Admitted say backward once in a while. They say schools work closely, public gatherings work closely, a fraud, wakati katinina, near now for Budo Shishi, wakati katinina, you are cutting from. They say, even back down to preventive etiquette, apart from the fact that you're maintaining the back of practice, you say, mandatory mask wear. BMPS and Shemax. And so China and Ghana Health Service for the publicity guidelines prior to the we are further cutting. Now even look at this. Testing, which is the third level. To say the people are saying Ghana said the population per million. Then you decline in testing of our citizens. Following the enhanced testing in Germany started. Local man Penisi and SMPD. And said, no, you will not address me. Who said, and then said they are not for baby, I didn't want to say I did back up. Lockdown or no lockdown. It's in 70 baby or one for me. Say, you know, and no man, and I say, a baby started RDT testing. And when I'm hating you, I'm in one that said, baby, so big. I said, young friend, Dr. Bill says, I didn't make RDT testing. And how different is it from PCR, they are more and private in between Faso, 100 positive part. They are not saying, lockdown or no lockdown. What do you think? Lockdown or no lockdown? But I know my penny and say, the baby fears rapid diagnostic testing. It changed the landscape altogether, and here's why. You see, what the enhanced testing did was that why am I go ahead to find people who are but am I exposed at risk of nation? Now, what the IBT and another is what we are agreeing is it takes a while to process the sample for us to get it. Even who catch it process my power sample, self-isolated results in the admittedly by 3-4 days time I'm getting results. It takes a while. Now with IBT, you are getting to almost instant. To say they are more tested for malaria. Both, they were not both number. You are now getting to almost instant. So now you're going to add a further layer of surveillance. More people are so why you exposed to grandpa on your area. But once you find that person that age, the chances of providing treatment and insurance in the require higher. The chairman and Yari not you in Sisuna Fino or friend ambulance, if you ventilator and
But if you admit up until and there is some level of lack of capacity in terms of daily testing, I remember number of new infections in real time, and until you rely on backlog, and the closer we can come, ASR 1.0 then if we want to take a decision of whether to lift the lockdown or not, and no should guide us in saying, listen, you're giving me figures in real time, then your transmission rate currently, then we should still maintain the lockdown. Now, your mom they say you're beefing up testing to the level which I mean, very reliable.
The science does not say this. Science, they are X-ray and they say, first of all, you see, for some of these countries, they compare lockdown.
Yeah.
When did they do a lockdown? Did they do what I would call a preventive lockdown? And now they did a lockdown when they had been. For Italy, for example. Italy didn't do what we have done. UK didn't do what we have done. A good number of the countries that have lockdown, they did not do what we have done. What happened, let's say, they were not able to get ahead of the virus to find what you call the early infection rates. Yeah, you say 1.09. And that's all kind of the airport did not 1.5. They didn't do it. And what ended up happening, they said, the so big we got infected. Over Kayabra, come and Ghana, they banning flights, they screening airports. Omana Airport UK, over Kaya the time, they say, who do Ghana airport, a mechanism in Wahana, who do landing it to the prime, you didn't know. What they did was say, by the time almost starting data error of the hospitals. No one trust early infection rates. The number of people are in a day, the number of people are in a day, the number of hospital beds. It is under those circumstances that they have had to lock down. They are very different from 3 weeks ago at 1:37, even as you see, you can't say you lockdown not because I didn't say, but you lockdown because you say you go ahead to find the real infection rate at the beginning. You measures are used to cut that infection rate. Then I make sure, for example, so you find this real infection. Can you come find over there 1.09 about 2 months ago? But I'm putting in place some of these measures I think you can extrapolate. But they say, you say 1.7. Today, number 4. It's a president by number 4. Can once a more. I'm saying before we just focus on lockdown. First of all, preventive etiquette. Or say, you keep in addition to the big count, to say the face mask, and I make a choice of Ghana answer this one. If we see, say, on who is going to take the preventive etiquette to a high level. Etiquette, no, Boka said. Before they come off here, they are sent to Grandpa. Come to your cattle meeting. They can make it for the account. 2. Restrictions in Nhyira, borders, schools, one maintain. Confirm. 3. Testing now, you can say, in the South Korea, Sweden, Germany, forever. They are new testing, early testing, so that you bring them for be aware exposed quite easily to testing no problem. You have to prepare testing. And I'm going to say the IDT back account.
I'm in line with that. Mapinika said, yeah, testing centers we are for TB, other.
They are not so bad.
And then I recalibrate.
And one of their PCR to say they are saying because only a second level. And you will be testing because test.
Nhyira FM.
Test. What's it? So we follow WHO. Yes, I agree. Or say, ensure some control over the transmission rate. Yeah. But WHO account for the test is the most effective tool. If you say third element, testing an alien, more labs and even IDT. And some of the last issue of a lockdown, the DM said, unfortunately. Lockdown, the first one, locking down the whole country. Locking down and Kro Yi Mu Nsem to allow for this enhanced testing so that we could see our early rates and how to do it. But since they say lockdown, though we are all lifting and Kro Yi Mu Nsem, the first 3 interventions in Makano need now exist in the account. But apart from the speech, she said the attention is also on the districts, not just what we call the hotspot areas, but in all the 260 districts across the country. But the social interventions, in the city, you put who at risk. And I said that the social numbers, send a air corner, we are seeing a spike. When a partial lockdown, they said the air lockdown and curfew. We are more stringent than partial. It's often enough for a year now. Instead of just saying, the big story, and you say, my penny left alone, taking one by one. Preventive etiquette with pigeon. Restrictions, maintaining restrictions, the way home and maintaining testing also with pigeon significantly, testing in weight in the scheme of things, and yes, and some are locked down. One man didn't say, and Kro Yi Mu Nsem but to see across district, the straight we crack the Munase, the Susu say, the Americans will move so, and now we are heading towards a spike. They will lock down and even impose a curfew. And when yet they are partial, any lockdown plus a curfew. It's not coming in our boma. We cannot even assume we'll come to the and say, we have gone back. In fact,
the preventive etiquette was with us even before lockdown.
Yeah.
Because Obekaya restrictions on public gatherings, closure of borders, by and sana lockdown. Rule being as our preventive etiquette from the start.
Nhyira FM.
For which reason I would say you pija and no more ever brian ya cutting to one. What does the data say?
And a very good question. What you say? Can we say what's starting? I say what you have now, a good chunk of it is historic.
Yes.
In fact, there are some of the analysts who say the 1.09 that we are looking at is 1.09 prior to lockdown. Following from the analysis, backlog, and taking a while before you are seeing, even if you are seeing any exposure. There are some of the analysts who argue, 1.09 now, now they're coming up with 1.5. What the other 2 points prior to lockdown. Until there, what the preventive etiquette at the camp, what the first level restrictions at the camp, what the enhanced testing at the camp. How much of the 1.09 can you cut? The truth is that it's still early days yet to get all of that data together. But the educated analysis are one more said the Abodomo and Sabre, Akobusuku, Emma Yasotin said you put these mechanisms in place, we should be able to significantly cut into SAR 1.0. When I inform my penny decision, I am a good sample, as we say. Then maintaining preventive etiquette, maybe the crack, then maintaining restrictions, testing, you book more labs and now even add IDT. And some of the potential of a lockdown, I say framework of a lockdown, it shouldn't just be partial lockdown in a crowd. As I say, the option is nationwide, district by district, following the numbers and the hotspots, we can do lockdown.
Nhyira FM.
The lockdown was expected to mainly do 2 things. One, say everyone ISI and tracing and testing. And the 2, to stop the spread of the virus.
One penny and case stop the spread. Then case of case stop the spread.
Relative to the lockdown,
then case of case it will stop the spread.
Because in all the discussions, and if you can find it, I stand to be educated. My recollection is
I'll get you the exact quote.
Okay, yeah. in all your discussions, first thing and that's a major thing is say the lockdown is supposed to give us an opportunity to do an enhanced treat. And no me say a lockdown on its own without more is only a delay tactic. Lockdown period is supposed to allow you to do something. So something then you do come over 3 weeks ago. I've seen that the whole results about. Admittedly, I can say lockdown also be to me was slow down the spread. Okay, it has a certain value to slow down the spread. But only epidemiologists now they also explain to you say on a sustainable basis. And yet, only the solution. The solution lies in the preventive etiquette. The solution lies in the restrictions. You're close your borders near the restrictions, and I say the solution lies in the enhanced testing. In this says, why and you focus on the T3
on the T3, you know. I think the president alluded
trace,
to
test, treat,
and treat.
A whole countries are making gains. What do you know?
But your data is trying say lockdown it to me boam slow down spread.
And na make us say so we on the face value. Now say Oma Enyan Kane Eyariba Hospital, so we 2.27.
Yes.
Now during the lockdown period, Oma will call out a coco search 1.09 on the face value. You can begin to extrapolate. But here in our cry to say even 1.09 no with a lag in it. Lag kakrawo. It's a bit of early days to even now get into an analysis. Say how much were you able to? The key thing is what we are finding rate of initial spread 1.09, and that's all the Okan in boom crampo at 1.5. Till now, the question are what are the measures to put in place to cut down which are the measures on Mampeniama?
Epidemiologist Bebre and professor of epidemiology, fantastic, Fred Binka. And we something Dr. Soji Tete shared on the Facebook page, and he quoted the professor or say the data does not support a total lockdown at this point. However, we have enough data that clearly shows the geographic hotspots. These hotspots need to be locked down and testing aggressively done to isolate infected cases nationwide. This is therefore not the right time to ease lockdown in Accra or any other hotspot for that matter. Fred Binka.
Okay. First of all, I like to be factual.
Yes.
Professor Fred Binka no ankasa na me ditro mente.
Okay.
But Soji Tete you be a minim say on peke, information on check here.
Yeah.
So I'm tempted to believe Professor Fred Binka canon. Asem igumu ahodo miensa.
Yes.
Say on Asempa FM.
In fact, Bakuye opinion. No, Bakuye fact, Menuye opinion.
Yes.
Baku say we have enough data to determine the hotspots.
Yes.
And a matter of fact.
Yes.
Opinions Menu. He shares the opinion of the other epidemiologists at the table. Say the data does not support a total lockdown.
A total lockdown, yes.
And he also make us scientists ne experts na etepon ho no and sebi enyado me pamocho mo bi nje manu siboni ye can say doctor bi o ha ye dompi doctor
yes
obi ji awo obi hwetire ibi mo ye epidemiologists
yes
to omo anim infectious disease ho komo te say Professor Binka no
yes.
also share the opinion of the other epidemiologists say the data does not support a total lockdown. And that's a first step. I can say, hey, no 137. Akwa do any day. Total lockdown, no. Even though I mean Professor Binka, but men doubt Soji.
Yeah.
The point he has put there and he said the epidemiologists support the view, said the data does not support a total lockdown.
Yes.
Now in the second opinion, no man is said or no feel say and answer in the second opinion they say at this stage, once you know the hotspots, maybe what you should do is to lock down those hotspots. Can President speech, But don't call the end of the speech. Until I make us and come we don't reduce it all to did the president lift the lockdown or not lift the lockdown? Oko president speech, getting to the end now. I feel bobo hotspots needing.
Yes. When he spoke of Ga East,
thank you. And of course, you need these hotspots.
Yes.
Now, say ye na say trend no suggest say was said those hotspots no, and I say those districts no.
Yes,
you lock it down. You better lock it down plus curfew in those places. I will say so here. Dear Professor Binka Eka, any the advice that has come through, no, even on this second issue, there is not much of a difference. Or no only argument I will making is say, do it now.
Yes.
In some of these hotspot areas. Some of his other colleagues around the table hold the view, say, and I'm not sure, say, Professor Binka, at the time he was saying this, I don't know the time he said this, but I'm not sure at the time he was saying this, he was also privy to the enhanced testing regime, the further enhanced testing regime that was going to be put in place, including IDTs and more labs. And I say, you say mask, crampo, airbabeka, preventive etiquette, no, and the maintenance near the minimum how much data he had. But in California, Tipon, advise president, no, with the benefit of all of these ones, no, Omon view, they say yes, the data does not support a total lockdown. 2, we have enough data on the hotspot areas. But 3, Saudi Nema to say mask, will enhance even further enhance the testing to include IDTs, the test as we've been told now. Then you are still in a position to control the most important element. What's the most important element? So we find a call for early stages, support them with treatment, ensure that.
Prof. Binka, he believes the aggressive enhanced testing and the lockdown are not mutually exclusive. For example, he makes the point, these hotspots need to be locked down and testing aggressively done to isolate infected cases nationwide.
The principle he's making is a testing in a solution. The question now becomes, can you test without a lockdown? Yes, that's the question. I have been in the room when that question has been asked to some of the other epidemiologists around the table. And the Ghana Health Service outlining testing mechanism Dr. Patrick Abajimon in Penny 4. They've been doing some work on it. I'm sure to answer that question for Penny 4 to say Professor Benkamo, who agree with them, say testing is the answer. But the question is, can you test without locking down some of these hotspots? And they are of the view, say, the way they want to go about the testing, yes, they can do it. And I make us say, minimum how much data or how much of this Professor Benka was privy to at the time he's reported to have made that comment. But one more advice on the decision, knowing what they know about how they plan to go about it. I know the conversations with Dr. Abuajimoni and they will outline it shortly. They are of the view that you can test or you can do this further enhanced testing without locking down. For example, say first we test now a PCR, whether through swabs or sputum, and an ODA. Na say ne Korea, parts of Korea, where they built mobile testing stations, drive-through tests, where you can actually drive through, they pick a blood sample, test within a few minutes.
Now results.
Do you, or are you unable to do that without locking down? It's a totally different dynamic. Enti yemo mo kwan be nenu ana said ombeba na fi obaba my kwan on person mo faso your mom testing and then we can, or what I even call the further enhanced testing, because they say I enhanced no cry and the other 1042 no, and that we can feed back into the other the pass over epidemiologist because omuna sebe omuti infectious disease name spread ase Omoma advice on how we go about it. And they are of the view that the data does not support a total lockdown. Once we know the hotspot, test some more aggressively in there. The question now becomes, can you do that without
a lockdown?
And for those who are privy to how they want to go about it, they are of the view that yes, you can. I don't know how much he had, but I'm sure say when we have it,
sitting here, meeting me, I can say. Now we know the hotspots.
Yes,
we've decided, say. Lifted partial lockdown across the board.
Yes.
What that tells me is
but your can say lifted, and at the same time, while they keep an eye on the surveillance, you find out any particular district a lockdown plus curfew. You can count them now for one bar.
Agree.
Yeah.
Agree. Should that tell me, say, Sisi and Yatimia containing virus even in the hotspot areas and for which reason if you see a bit me left lockdown now yeah the enhanced testing
on Asempa
FM say me no fear say me ka say we are for na nyina nkofo use different paradigms
and
Democrats start talking about flattening the curve. Oma follow the pattern of rate of daily new infections and rate of daily hospitalization. They talk about flattening the curve.
Yeah.
Flattening the curve, no problem. Who kind data now? Now say who kind now? There are two schools of thought. If you say flattening the curve, no, a curve of new infections. If you also challenge that view, say actually flattening the curve is about your active cases.
Okay.
And let me give you an example. And then Ghana, you're 1042. 99 we feel my 943.
Yes.
Say me must correct number 943. Ghana Health Service for table now. I'm saying 930.
And a responded to treatment.
Good. Almost say nyame adom na successful be test them a second time and I said test them two negatives and then they declare them. Yeah, Mompai, fingers crossed. Say be you na 930 no.
Omunyina two negatives.
Ukrampo de mami 800 crime film. 943 we 800 film eka 143. Now so we follow second school of thought about flattening the curve now. That is the curve of active cases now.
Yeah.
What will now be the curve of active case now? Also curve of active cases 143. And it's not say be ya tise obi akabofo bi woni krom na chese nyina no ya pick is abofo. Even this example of a lockdown. Obi utis obi a lockdown wo kro address system ye adwuma yetumi send you biska wo fie yetumi ye na wo tenkran. Na sebe we say because yes lockdown into yes you lockdown you are not looking at the dynamics
the economic considerations no the next leg of the ayedi my health one na economic
very well.
The next way on the health no ebe say and metie president ya o say out of the bare 80,000 plus samples
86,000
super
contacts yeah tested 68,591
amaka 18,000 yet to be received.
Yes sir.
So 18,000 no have been told to self-isolate meboa.
Yes.
And if majority of them are in the lockdown areas, near left lockdown, how are we sure say these guys will stay at home?
Well,
because we are asymptomatic, spread the virus.
And see, what we need to do is to keep following up on them to ensure say the self-isolation instructions they follow. Now may follow
on
reports national security near share as they monitor globally.
Yeah.
Israel near they say they are also still having to do that validation of self-isolation because it is a general rule, but to be a new behind this. In fact, in Ghana here, there have been one or two instances where Wakachi will be self-isolate. And it has its difficulties, but it's the best known solution currently to ask people to self-isolate until such a time that you have enough information to proceed.
Meaning, say you need capacity to quarantine 18,000
18,000 quarantine dear ebedi.
But the other thing could you say now me monitor ECOWAS, the data across ECOWAS. And it's a share data now apart from Ghana you left a partial lockdown.
Yeah.
All the other countries, Benin, there were 35 confirmed cases. Burkina was 576.
Yeah.
Cape Verde, there were 61. Cote d'Ivoire were 847. Gambia were 10. Guinea, there were 579. Guinea-Bissau were 50. Liberia were 91. Mali were 224. Niger, there were 648. Nigeria were 627. Senegal were 367. Sierra Leone, there were 35. Togo, there were 84. Ghana, they were the highest, 1042. Ironically, Yanson left here lockdown. Why?
Google Germany case count. Nabisa say, why are they also lifting what you call their lockdown? Check in Norway. Why are they also lifting it? Even though they even have higher cases than us. Because the science is that.
But we should do like for like.
No.
At least you can compare Ghana to the rest of the ECOWAS.
I am playing with the principle, say, Adena. Case counter so no left it. You know the so much like for like. Just the principle of because the science is that your decision to lock down, particularly precautionary lockdown, we say, if it is to find out well infection rate and how to deal with it. It is not about the number of cases it's about the data you have and how it informs your decisions and your lines of action. And so another strand of a year. Check is countries in lockdown before Ghana. And the more they take a cue from what Ghana is doing. And then some of the videos I've seen online, I've seen some persons say what Ghana is doing is showing the way. Say, and you're just out of fear and out of panic. And then interviews we keep making the point, say, a juma when no. Science any data and a AD anymore. And until I made that was a papa say Sabi Nipa Ukoti and Nenye Obibiara. But Professor Binka or a professor of epidemiology. The science of epidemiology and a air directed their utia obeshe na waye. So it's not the mere he say 137. He say I could do one but any Quebec as we are safe and any now be a crown lockdown. But they're more about what is your infection rate and I say more positive rate? What is it? How does it inform lines of action? How are you cutting through it? And on I ready take those decisions.
Fantastic. Because upon Kroma Information Minister and AD and Como, Ecosi saying so any. And we focused so far on health factors. You
go school society.
Factors about the economy because one of the reasons where okay president's statement critically on my best 7 reasons why the lifting of the lockdown but one of them
on
about economic Kro Yi Mu Nsem matters. It will come there now.
And now Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Okay, abusafo asubusu awutie Nhyira 104.5 FM. Midi de aduana ba Kofi Asante ni nanope you welcome on board. Extensively wati ura kojo ponkoma enra oni yenua ubi on Asempa FM after say the president and the directives I would buy no. Then some explanations in there and ye de ebrewo. Yegusu a ye din komoni ahwe other issues of relevance. Anope ye benyamre na ya interrogate some development abba. Your voice notes line here 0244320564 0244320564. Now why a part of the discussion we're doing Fabre the lockdown it's over at the end say yebitimin so ensure say social distancing yebitimin so akremu natimi aboa mayare no ne spread yetimi akateli ni nyina ade a anopa yebenyamre na yahwem. Now Kumasi Central Market Dr. Mensa adwadifo so dinti empanifo assign the Adriano I am rotational way Jedi Fonum Beba Brano Nyuna ne Beba Boom and no ayan coma Yibinyamre na ye di and I catch us the district chief executive at the Master Front Place and all the dean for all DCs or then chem ufia ye neno bidding como yebeshe ye peke now each district the dissect head and I say head of security or the district or ye share on did go akwemu in a way woboa ama yedwa emu ayeko social gathering ye ne sa ne meni nyina no ye bitimi nso asia no ekwan na enkonko ye bebre emfa wo haw emre ye na ye kan yi ho asem na ye hwese aban dia tudwa obi abetuma fa ne de hye na wakwa akosie na emom ye nhwese ye nkonkonko ye bewi ase no de wo haw ebebre ye no na ni nyina ye nkomo a yegusu edi wokọ other regions and districts mpenimfo den hyehyɛ egu akwemu a won avoid se ubia enkonkoye ayie pi na emfa wo haw emma ni nyina ye nkomo a yegusu ayedi na fi kosominua bema akosa anopai emema yako umame eda form abrewatia efrimu enti yeke yi de na kyesa akosa wo de abrewa ebehye adakam kosi se niema bitwam Daniel akosa wo asuobo a Methodist wahwere abrewatia e wasante mampon chirifaso maame Grace ya banso Daniel akosa dan no pay Rade enchichire oyre enra na brewatia efrimu nti rade nka ho eno da nchen a yebekọ na yakopuzu nchen yenya ne ntie sai arawosem biasi ewo boasene no potamu ede airport na esi ho Pozo, good morning.
Morning, Kofi.
Dede na ekoso.
Oh, Kofi, upiemu ewo Amansia Central mention emu a about 1 ba kwa ye freho osai Kro electoral area ewo Amansia Central mention mu forest reserve bi e freho eye Obumso forest reserve no na omuchire mi se nipa binum akwa share sa forest no medjuma omu di ya ni se omutwa eye imia na omo atapa na cars akwakofa na omo de akokumase ana oboase na baby omo gina baby omo beton ni bia na omo edeko na wopie mo so ampatem ha adwuma nipa wo ho eye pa kase eye kuadwuma na chire no nso saa illegal chainsaw operators ni be gra forest no mu a nombe papa ni na ema ene emema na omo akwakosoa de gu cars no na omo nso de akobia wo se omo eton no eno na maame baako a ne din de eye Amina a wenye mfinsia be ye abiasa enum maame awo mako enan wo mo kosa abeni bi na de chenye Kofi wo mo konso a enye daytime na ya wo mo ko anajo nti obi e kwa na de torchlight abon mo ma se de hunters no ye na abofo no ye no na wo mo eye nti mo akolodu ka na baako e wo forest num ana wo mo eba iti ebedu people no so people back so our forest in finfin na car no chesan ye corona mani omu chese na bi huru si na sama me ya ye fe na mi na wato na number 1 se bi ma me so huru si na car no chifa ne so ama me ka se ma me na yam awono wato ananom e won se do ma me ye kana se ni ofi Kro ba akwa ye fe ho do me abra eno so wasa electoral Kro electoral area ho na edi na omu chire mi se saa de no esiye no brother ni no ehun saa no we yi nua na aka no e di frika no ta di gu fom e na otidom ode ne ho e ken ngura sisi ame no ka se assembly member wo ho e di wo mo anim e Steven Secretary e di atuga se wo mo nya ka ne number a wo mreba koma police for wo bo afi na police for na refer saa brother ni no e di amount ne mu wo mo atam emu no e di akopi mu e wo Jacobu St Peter's Catholic Hospital Mukurabia doctor for the papa who the property ikun na Kofi die tienie wo mo e kodru Kro no ntie ba kwa yenya ye ne se ma no krampo no so obi atifie na won no aduane no nya tse ka na ba se kim e ba ba se akọ bushu a no mo gya aduane no mo no de ama mo kunu no mo ma no mo die kire kire no mo kwa di sa adwuma no na mo nya kakra enso e de ato obotom Kofi ena na ye bisa se so hwan ene masa illegal chainsaw for no kwan se wo mo ntini nwura forest nim enkodi sa adwuma no e wo ho na edi uwo yi atini abe da de ekoso e wo sampatent forest guide for ya no mo na forest no omo ehun ya na forest before na omo hwe forest no so no omo hu sesa illegal chainsaw operation no ekoso e wo sampatem ho na de sa atrenchem e de abe e wo ho no ana Kofi ade ba ko so ye ko ho so ya sa ehun ya ni se sabi asa ni dia se fata e wo se ye de ma ye nipa no ebi enkoso e wo sampatem kan kamrantie ni bi no suban ni mpanifo bi no wo kodi no suban dia ene da omo dan na di no enye Steven Secretary a wo ya assembly member sabi na adwene mu kwani mu kakra a wo de hye egu akwema Kofi ene da kamene me kamla ma ko pie Kro no so no anke nim adekọ pọtị anke be tia mu ye fa nase ene the way ma assembly member ye friend Secretary wo kire se wo ye leader e wo Kro no wo kire se wo ye leader e wo Kro no eno ene boa ya e ma sanye ma we nyina e tese Kofi sisi ame no ka sai de wo pie mu e wo Kro electoral area kura ye frɛ ho e ye domi abrade nipa wo Kro de mu nyina e twa jaadwo wo ho e san se maame a wo kopɛ bibi ababe die e me ne be den na sisi ade wo wuo na wade ebe fia Kofi ye de nipa ifiri nwure mu wade betu Kro ni fifi a ye twitwa tampon ne board ya ba ne bere e de egu ni so a Kofi sabio asedi obi akodo banche de egu kwa 1% ponche bere en wo twitwa gu so a Kofi ni pan sefe ti Kofi obi sa na no pese DNS dia Jacobu mensini mu maame a wokwa koso anua e wo forest ni na kana tia san afama me no so amana to na nam won se
a police for abankomo emu
Kofi ane sisi ame no kasa kura de Jacobu police for na asem no akwa di wo mo ensem a Secretary ɛne ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔde mu na kɔma polisifoɔ ma ɔmo so de akɔpie mu ɔmo kyerɛ asesi America sɛ ɔmo ba bɛhwɛ na ɔmo de ho dwuma.
Pozo, Bibini Abesanso Atun my district chief executive, assembly member for the Osekrum, Bia Rosemisi, Stephen Sechere, Ewa Homaso. Stephen, morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Na Bibi Aboko, dear.
Nyankupa to be Aboko, Babi Amidian answer than your Boko.
Kafra. Na Penifua, or police for or more etimia so be more nkomemu.
Family am that say anura e basa no na akoya we hosem enti e na esi epu e be hwe no na eja social distance na say omo ya break enti many police 24 kasai e ma o ma me peka e de amu no e koma wo mo enti asa no kasai de anura minya ambulance de amu no e ko the Bitters Hospital, I would have been one much like you. I'm a police opponent, so I could do more dance here. You'd be area. I guess I'm not paying year to my dear. The money there, you call a mortuary.
Okay. Adia way tie adia attack on a puzzle cast a man and no be cry to me sorry, no moody kayachi. That means sa elega a chainsaw operating a cost or area.
Well, sir, you can illegal, and I say illegal, no, you be a but I mean, at the 10 year, community, no, a farming community. And Malfonso, 18 year at the Ebo Dinosaur. And the Dana who do I see and Patamuya, Boasini, Bequa, near the day. And what now, Mutakuchen year. Every crown of Buadiano is in Niquayum, it's enough room. Now, Bakucha, some medical dinosaur. A basana. Omo pe apafo so omo nkwaso amfama wo mo na no na nwoche ani adinti first na nka ye mema na eye but ene ema no di omo ho agima ene ema no ensusu abi pa enti no na obai kwaso abi a omo ba ka yi betwifa no si enti ese bi a iriga chainsaw operate na omo ye ba e bi kwa na we no esi bako no niko kwase anu akutwa ba se na eti bia no obepe nkofo mo kwaso a aguke mama na otua omo ka.
Okay, Stephen Bibini Abesanso Atun Safro. Wasubuso awuti Nhyira 104.5 FM. Ma menkwa humanso na menkonko ye adwumamra. Bidin de aduana bakofi asante 36 minutes past 7. Reverend Professor Paul from Manso, a president the Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council. On the statement about Bontain on lifting of partial lockdown, President 3 days ago, announced ye komo papa anope ya mwache de Nhyira FM
mejo so mechia wachifu nyina so mejisa mo hoye
papa mompa ebonti ye hoye
good
mamini kamisa say how has it been for almost I think about a month near sorry yanko anwumere sorry ni anopa nyina no ene ma akosai asofo ne nsori ma.
Believe you, we have been extremely busy. Because a drew brain more demand as social leadership. Here, Kro near Frey near text or more Facebook, radio, TV meetings are horror. And here, sorry, dear, Yamian, a Kosokama, and she moved independent to me here. Apart from that, and all other things, as I say, yeah, Jesus is so busy in a suffer. Now, some other point to me in dream person. And I'm saying Jesus, let's see. No tears in with you near some understanding. As for church life, it's even better.
I see. I see. I'm happy to hear this from you. Say it's even better because man forecast say, well, say I relax partial lockdown the ankeja. I saw the so kwesi Adam kwa de ebinu mo air champions and kebeya president mumi yanko kwesi ada.
Well, when I'm saying I confuse two events. Lockdown is a separate entity, and a social standing, social distancing is separate thing. I can a lockdown no be bano. Not present here. I prescribe and also give you directives of social distancing, washing of hands, using of sanitizers, sorry, near ye, ni parties, ni weddings, and those kind of things. And you the car buy. Yeah, we be extra burden, a lot of extra directives.
Okay.
And I don't know a buy. I know who's a fee. A dianocra cheba. No, my social distances, no one. And Kofosi, you never been now. Any idea? Kumasi, me cousin, video be on my
Makion tempo and nipa domabu afaso.
And the purpose now lockdown over several years. Nay, dual purpose. First to track, and then track, then when it has been tracked, we test and we treat. Now, much said they were able to mobilize a lot of people and they were able to handle it. But the other purpose, it is not serving it because people were rather getting more together. And a system, it was too much. And the two, where we have achieved one another, other one is not been able to achieve 100%. Now at least the president has to make a decision. Physically, and so church here more than meeting together. Because also where 2 or 3 have gathered together in my name, there I am in their midst. Ubebu sama sembi, me can chi baby and you are now about sensia, and I'm a home.
Yeah.
Ubebu sama sembi sikasem any tight, any manio, I don't know, be after me, Ubusa. I don't want to watch it, no. Your authority and watch it, no. Road driver, watch it, no. The autumn pound on watching, no. The Okwajuma Bansan will be watching a general thing. Into a Nukuran, and sorry enough fat dear Democrat. Then so a yes in the first Ahuchrimu, a bra team. Now, what toying, chance Ahuchrimu. That's a correction here, tight and not offering to Omumra. Now, so. It true, we say, sorry, know how to be so through mobile phone near the no more. And on Uncle break unfortunately. But in sorry, me child donations, the power and sorry, dear Assemblies of God, Pentecost, Presby, Methodist. If you are buying a crochet and any year, we don't get this money just for ourselves. They bring a wrong conception about this thing. Coming back, I think the present direction. Decision is in the right direction. You support near promo too, but it has not cancelled the social distancing, which is more important than anything, and then the washing of hands.
I see, but Baba, Manford take some churches on say or more announce test line for a tight any collection or bra member CTF. Position what one saying?
Well. You don't throw the baby together with the bath water. The woman says, "Oh, it's a church, Baby, wrong perception about church." And I am not surprised because, of course, I suffer to be so buying any woman here, anyone near me. If people want to dupe people. And your mobile text in Kwano, it was already there. And saying away, already some people have got negative thoughts about church. It has rather created opportunity for them to do that. If you know so, genuine Christians, support to they were rather sending messages to their pastors. And the pastor made them offering about made them so, for such genuine people, though, it was good that opportunities were given so that they should give. And yes, people will talk about the beer we are saying. Some people will appreciate it, others will not appreciate it. In the end, I all receiving and the motive and the measuring standard because Assemblies of God are sorry be added. Sikapa Aswa. Compelling nipa. We will never do that. But then we also have to give people opportunity to do the genuine ones who could help. Because Kumasi Mikrama Software be in the Mufie and Concord for her, even those who are not Assemblies of God members. And what about the and also sure? And yes, in a democratic state, it is a president, the Casa Andre. a lot of people say enye kase so otum be and the business say enye it be these things should happen, but to me, a sign of democracy and freedom as I say, you protecting to me it is their freedom to express their opinions. And I want to show because a lot of people were calling us software per se software you support here, so we know that the churches are running. Church be a school, the Omako. Church be a hospital there, Omako. Church be there sometimes. Ye pe school, ye pe Prempe, ye pe Wesley, ye pe Wesley girls, ye pe Buri girls, ye pe Opokuare, ye pe St. Louis, me keep 50 Koba, and the animal represent church in the year. Some of these things, we the leaders should be pragmatic and accept it as human nature.
I see. For Safene be our joining discussion here, Professor, Reverend Professor from Paul Manso, President, Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, Edin Komo. More comment the President, lifting of lockdown, Pasha, Nafi, more express concern about Diania, Yenra, better just say the Yanwani, the Yetrim, but the Yenwayeno. Yebetwa so to period aso for na eshemonsa we mutimi chey to the satisfaction of obibia because no puna man for concern
just to me check to the satisfaction of obibia aduane no a limited number edukrase say asa yeba wie na wo che wie a asa enu na say me office dey buy enam say ya left lockdown no obia betuma PNT any pair hono na so chain can it look around aduane ne do so nti me kwa na me ka kire o mo mo hweso no se nipa na nya ba wie enti monya ne nkitin ba kosua ba ahonkura na obi benya o hu se won so o ma na che bibia ama na so no so ba se de o ma wie nya de am gidi se bi ba bi o 2 weeks lockdown extra week o me to so no ene ma aduane no omede ba me ye che ba se de so obi an kwa na dwuma obi an pe na aduane but me pese me kire se na nye easy aduane a wo chama nye se wa sori nkwa na wo chama wo mo ye de ba ye gina banam ani ye chama ni peti mantam ho nyina so kwa sorry so ye kramoni so ye denti. It was for the community, not for the church members, and we did what we could. But I want to tell you, say Nhyira so here dey see baki on hoya me hu bi wa chimota ha me be bre aduane no kra sanwie no na course
eba
it wasn't easy, but we did our best. I think the president could commend the faith-based organization say omunaya de pa
na sorry no so here in terms of education on social distance and ebreya ye partial lockdown everywhere, and considering Ghana for us what then what ye who were man
me da se pa unsa sorry you do me back and say be educate nipa now o madintimi anya asetina pa yesu se me bai na monya nkwa na monya na moroso enti apart from say ye encourage social distancing, ye encourage hand washing, ye encourage say yenchiachia nini mano ye chire nipa ekọ obetimi afa so atena se ye ahwe no ho so ya saa ya re betimi atwam enu nti na ya na hayen se asofo bi ne nsori bi ntimi nya abotre say si entwen na omo ebubu mra no so kofa no ma bi ba and it was na ya sefim Yesu Kristo kura no ukan Yohana sempa. There was a time na Jew for no pen ekunu no obo no ho adwa na emu mebre so se esese owu no sabre no ono akọ Jerusalem eme ebo na se nduam wo so a Herod pen ekunu no na busuafo kọbọ no adwa ewo Egypt ekopum se Herod wu ye ansa na ode yede na ba amana be ye na dwuma enu nti etru ba bia esese nipa ye de ebo ye ho adwa enu nti asori no the position is the abaya kan ontwa asori mu onsi asori kwa onsi nyam ho so kwai president ya wo tumi esi national cathedral wa boa yense o man no national cathedral and now the by president was declare a day of prayer and fasting ye kwa sorry I calling me say itimi bompai we see TV show ye preachy Facebook show ye preachy and local social sites ya dem kan say branch ye social come on
social media
ya me sabon kwa me kwa no petia ni ewia there's a lot of several ways of reaching the people and we are saying say lockdown the people were struggling a community unse omuntumi nkona omnia presidency any soldier for on confrontation president it was never their heart or their desire to go and be that robot. They were only there to guide and direct. Nigeria across the normal say a president community more a change the corona a kumomo. It was a compact then the break on reason in the guys so the situation was not easy, apart from so much that the government was pouring money or the nevertheless, apart from crying near down, a lot of peri-urban communities they also get their livelihood from the urban centers. So cry. Yaya besika soa. Gumuan kroni nyina, suwadrum nyina, omo banka. Yaya fa mamponteni ade na agora forces omo be kumase. Mamponfo e be kumase. Yes, so konongofo their livelihood is in Kumasi. So it wasn't easy. Enti the president ya any year. Name of Yena, as you tree a hopeful say, you need to be a crum. Young could be and see a did in our Kotoya, Noaba, Trotrono Crano, almost on TSM so much as the other. Family, you know, taxi, bear a children, you know, any more back home. Sapra, Biano Cradins and Kruby, Craig, minimum Kumasi. And say, here who we are. I think we will sell through because they are real, you know. Okay,
for your Reverend Professor from Pomanso, President Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council Nadine Komo. 2 questions now, Mejao. Now, what next now share the last 1 month? The coronavirus at the bar and you know HS Ghana say 1 hour watch the warm a dorsum pa and indeed. Ichase aban ene and sorry ne all stakeholders ABB. Ya beni ni etimia bridge gap ne kakra because many people percentage wise many about 70-75% of Ghanaians live below some average and ema hu adin.
Me cry that say more about 95% because me dey me 2 kwan. Me machine Ghana nyina me ko bumpugu na lerugu kulungugu me ko wa me ko nzema Ghana who can say 75% wa rate here.
Okay
the mechanic say 3 things the dikai God first say nyame amoa untumi nya we because he is the vine and we are the branches the atosumi you know vision and it's well from the leadership and from every Ghanaian. So now pursue that vision and the torso hard work. And yet was a hard work, you know. Baby, you might so many vision. I saw the ensure egu kentemu, and I would ensure egu sonium. There is no planning. She say yatrawa magalam say, I'm many yang. Ye jawe near the afaha. Now since you see we bill. We are 2 gold 100 years. Ye that 2 cocoa ye tiani asasa komamro aye. Timber ye trading in area. Diamond, manganese. I don't cocoa nka for over 60 years. Ye independent independent processing 50% our Ghana. Thank you for being a Jumaye. And a vision and planning. Nani nyinaa corporation any polarized politics. Whoever is in power, the MPP or NDC or CPP, Yenina China chi coup d'etat so everybody no amoy coup de nya de pa disorganizing the amount over the years the nation was disorganized but coming back the bit me free poverty me the maka God first nyame wo mu abibia e de tosumi no a vision the 20 this development plan yeah to 2020 vision 7-year development say Ghana development planning committee but vision meaning it should be well spelled and clear so that every Ghanaian know what is going to happen in the next 10 years, next 20 years. Roadmap clear. Media for him, politicians in him, asofu him, agradifo him, obien him. Ni follow. Then hard work. Corruption. People are working hard. Then, after this, there should be proper monitoring and implement. Of course, when we implement something, we monitor and evaluate. We see me SSS 4 years. We see me 3 years. We see me 4 years. We be the way not just ad hoc decisions, ad hoc measures. President, the BCBC are dying. For about some empire dying. No, obviously, secondary schools for about until we are wasting a lot of resources. But yeah, some water regional. Adam bia yes, you go pram. They are waste. Meaning they national money. For there, we see.
Oh, asokore mampo hey.
Yeah. He did it around the country. So Ghana, sometimes we make our own problem. And then we accuse somebody. So my son can be you because I teach leadership. Vision. Where there is no vision, the people perish. Whatever we do, see any blueprint, something clear. Yeah, media follow, teachers follow, pharmacy follow, drivers follow. Towards the development of Ghana. Obi say obako sifi fefe akuzi be na ka akwa ni ho obi mfa ho say edwom edwa patasi no tie ni mu na ekwan ni ho ndigwa na ehia na ahye. There are so many things. I mean this morning I don't stand to accuse. I stand to rather encourage because we are in a trying moment. But going forward, that is why I have always praised free education. Yeah. And for education, it best started from somewhere. Yeah. To me, to us, a vision. It is nothing but vision. A vision. Papa. Now, Nana di Ben 90 years. And I catch my grandfather. I didn't know who do Kube. Or catch them say, you wouldn't try. It says any caught in the web or no. We have already get ourselves caught in the web. Planning the next 50 years. Send a person Ghana a pursue. Probably that will change the future of our nation.
Baba, I'm sorry, I have to tumu. We are so funty, my men restricting me to the churches. A brother now did say ye bia a bit me aboa.
A brother president, who say a safe for Ghanaians to worship. We have given him that power to make that decision. And I think our advisors, our scientists, our policy advisors, our public health officers, so they are also controlling and monitoring. I mean, I'm not doing that. In Tiabra,
finally, sir, a tefu etiema no pay one or a bruchery, 1 hour all everywhere. And yama baby and sapoti bena sabra ye coronavirus bri or my yensuem frimu, ankrankre, yensuem frimu na ensasaye.
And yama me and son say, we are say a obidia. Na se coronavirus aka ho ne nyina ahwehwe afia de obo osoro ne asase no ka no ho ebe den enti yenwan ne mfa ho nkoto no so na there's going to be a time a mobile den 2 ye adwuma ayem plan na yɛmfa kakra nto hɔ na edu ahokyere se a yɛtumi anya bi ɛmfa ho ne kɛseɛ saa deɛ wei na ba expose Ghanaians sɛ yɛmu bebree yɛnyɛ sika ne yɛdi nyinaa yɛdi ahokyere ba yɛntumi nkɔ yɛntumi ma deɛ ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa no sɛ yɛhu sɛ Ghana nnipa bebree yɛ mmɔbɔ anaa baabiaa yɛ hɔ nnipa yɛ mmɔbɔ nti woanyame ahyira wo a wokura kakra no try sɛ wobɛhu obi nso so mmɔbɔ especially in this difficulty people are suffering so we should show love and concern to them ɛna deɛ ɛtɔ so nan wo nkwa ho hia kyɛ biribiaa wowɔ nkwa anaa wade enti stay home saa adeɛ wɔ yi no ɛntumi ma wo fie sɛ wowɔ ankwa nkɔhyia no anaa woankɔfa ama
Reverend Professor Frimpong Manson, President, Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council. Baba no pay, we are more than grateful. Ewo akwanya Nhyira FM odi amayeti for. Bibi ne besato safo. Amen. Amen. Abzabo Papa eka example of Penia no udua ne kube. Eye konimu, eja konimu, high life musician. Ena obo nyum ti kakra na ye na ye homra.
Kamio minro kakamio. Kaka mi ampo kwa mwasi anansio Mitro kaka mi minro kaka mi Kaka mi ampo kwa mwasi anansio Odom sesreku si anansi munomfwe Nansi munomfwe nansio Oh yeah Mitro kakamio, minro kakamio. Kakamio mpo kwa mwasi anansio. Mitro kakamio, minro kakamio. Kakamio mpo kwa mwasi anansio. Odom sesre kusi anansi munomfwe Nansi munomfwe nansio Oh Nansi munomfwe nansio Kubedia. Oh, you're going to say, Nhyira. On 94 degrees. On 94 degrees. Oh, in your way. You're not ready. I am Nhyira. Nyamia chede ema yem framapa ema yensio ebo nsio ho ban
Okay, we for 4 minutes past 8 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. You hear that? Said the Reverend from Pom Manso Akano. What that hu hiam South to Star Life Assurance. Seven countries say the next 1 to 2 years you need to ask yourself say himfa and our person war. But so with me a better future na a life insurance policy, Star Life Assurance. Let's share the war. Obody na free number 0302-739-600. Visit any of our branches today. Now wait me so secure the future. Star Life, your solid partner for life. Now BB to me akoso MTN saying can trust a name Jai Nantie Banchire or Montana Uni Huyeno. Now wait me so you sumumu etia all your bills. Why would that postpaid so on MTN? You can just pay your bill, paybill.mtn.com.gh and as a call a year mumonuswa with me at your bill no with your Visa or MasterCard simple. Na bibian so it me akoso kama edi amount. Right, and of course, the medical catcher say you were the dean of all the DCs and one so and a year such a front place or DC or Asante Mantemu. Yeneno ebedin komo na yahwe dia namon na O2 ewo ne pesua so ebre tisemu na wetimi so ahwe say social distancing, public gathering, because so from Saturday, yene osesi benchike me yodin komo enra yene amwo uku edin komo, and then we have all the dean of all these seas in the region, Joseph Owusu odanchem na dodono edinim no bema me moache obi ahụ ya dị
oh trading pond divine selection
edanyame ase
o kan ya ka ho
ehefa no wakọ abu mihu wache
juma yo wo wonim coronavirus ne ho jumadie nti medical chair panyimfo nyina Nhyira sama semensa
yeah
man panyina na musini owo region yim na be de eche me ma Elizabeth people's mother
yeah
and I was say Saturday so ne me bra panyini
yeah sesibe
ene minua awuku
and last week is na people's mother wa ha
oh okay
last week Thursday
okay
yeah
mechia munyina na machia is a movement
yes
so we be adwuma bi aka modie hu
I want to
is a movement mechia Nhyira
yes
nti go fi adwuma na mpanyimfo yi ede so me mena ejanyame adomo man hu do.
That's good.
For God and country.
Sure.
Tine say uni bibia sheda babon tembe ya atnafi. And so me baba girl no. That come me refi anwumre. Okache wife say Mommy, I'm worried about daddy. Na me so adan ya. Ade chi ya na dada ko no aba. Ade so yeso pia. Ibi betimi ayo. Enti aja kra on de onim say o papa wo nafa. Tini de ne
expect is akaja
o no kwa ne dia.
Na dada ofie.
Do no kwa ne dia ndi daddy ko ba yi. Na me say educhunwa mane hawai. Unse nyame na obo na ade no kra no
abehese
edru baabi no no na ade ni chochomucho God the Father, the Son and the Holy Spirit osime do aba afode ama mansan nti edru baabi a yemu bi ye de abobo afode ama
abeye DC on
mansan di mechiche me banere se nyame behwe so nemom kofi
yeah
said na mitie nyansa pa utie professor in common yes as a penny ne hwe kra no I think that is where nyame ya doma man penny apeja partial lockdown yi
yeah
na before kasa omode abene na mu na say yes bibi the new normal
okay
normal na na yetimu dada ne de menyi ni say ibenya ne saa biom
okay
but ye nyina na say started din komofa the new normal no ho said the dada setena no be ye no sempa na besi aye unze enyo nwanza metu ofidi anim na
what dey ya shawano
mabo face mask tiama me kasa no kra ye body test
and the need him say doctors for Naija
ba kofi ye ya do so mu achini ye ni studio ya me wura ye kra me ye high risk cinema mo hanyina because bat na fie adwuma inti ye chini saa adi so ye say on nipa na de nante inti o hwe lockdown no ebrem 3 weeks no mo ne mileage amatwagu nhyiamudie ni nipa mpu ni mpu so a me are more of a high risk to you than you to me and I wo hwe omo enkrata no mu a se me na potential and meet me aye career no se me bo me nose massa o na wo no munye potential career no risk say me de bibe ma no 5%.
Okay.
Risk say me de be ma no 5%.
Yeah.
But say o na obi e na on cover o mouth no nose na na me no mini bi no so o de mamia risk ni 95%.
Okay.
Nti wa o susu se 190 pa no nti mampanyini nkomo edi e kire oni edi no unse afutu ode ka ho no kofa free World Health Organization for guidelines num se wanye no wo hye but wan kasa so a ode wo hye bre ne wo kra hye wo nsem no se de nyankopo ka se ode papa ne bone asi anim ne mo wo hye se ye mfa papa no bo unse nipa nya ne pe no wan fa papa no and about Sunday school any SDA Sabbath school ye die no no be wi se na ye so kote aduaba na no ye de be ma ye free ho buy so at any time bia no there otimi ehya wo no so the wo pe ehya wo nsem a your personal decisions no and a better say ube survive na onye dey unsurvive
okay
enti ebaya o de sa hihye na to ho a wo sere se o left tinafie no mpo no se nya bibi pa na ese opia bonten koye na o tinafie a enkofa ha o ma koso na yeden tinafie na se bibi ba mo afiri waboa no na si abontena won shaw be wo srese campaign pi no fa bibi katawa no ene wo hene enche da nya de bomi bi unse we me dofo adwuma munti no e colors one crowd de bebo no
anti enezo
e medical supplies
okay that's
the colors kubo crowd bebo no kunu se obi asu na niwa but ankoya me de ibi na de na se ya telefo ya pempama maye
unya bia ya
ana even handkerchief kura ba senka first ana ayi code ni ho ahwanti ye de hihye ye botom na bia wo de afa ahwena no kakre so ben nipa mu a te se ne no mu a ebi omo ankro mo afidi a omo fonfono amansan hyen trotro ne tase ni ho ahwan no ohwene na no beda ho ama wano anu no ada ho de se ne hanki kura ne kura wa bono pona fa bo ohwene bi a home no na ho be kire kakra bi de bebe yes ho be kire kakra bi with a high level of assurance say obi nkobo wangu so obi nkokasa ma ne nteso mfamframu mu ma nkohome
okay
umfa unsan koka bibi nkowura wani ase that high level of self protection e hon komone na mesre say ye pie free mu ba nya say yare no ko na mom akwa gina bebia ebo fada de fa kofiso huntuma no de mampanyini ede ni yebekasa kwese dey ebo fada de fa baby ade betu bi ede
the last time so was any brain soldier
into who has tracing tracing testing and treating the three T's Dr. Nsiasa Renyame Nhyira omu one eye Dr. Fua omu etu mampanyinifo ene mpanyinfo ka ho nyina ekyerɛkyerɛ ne de yare na ebowura ya ha no sɛ de no Gucci ne KCC a na omo ka ho nyina ahwehwɛ mu na omo hu ne su ne ban no
okay
ko bi sɛ omo adi kan be ka kyerɛ sɛ virus no o mutate o mutations oto opai pen ho opapem inti strain na e free China na wuhon ho na wo sha ase FPT no ho sa na demu akowura Europe diko pie North America de ba Africa no wo ni mutations ahodo bebre inti strain na importations di be pie ha no a fair system no mu say say adofo no bi no ya doctor for ne ya nhwehwemu fo no ehwehwe no su ne ba na no ama ya hunu ne bobre
okay
confute pa nti ebisi o na de na mampanyina pre no ho na lockdown yi afi kra na ya sha ase na 152 afi do 1042 wo say wa left it o sha ase no na ya nhwehwemu fo no ehunu aboa no su ne ban Inti lockdown no ba yenkro akese nkran ne mpatamu kaso ano ne kumase ne contiguous districts no say ya ebema sa hwehwemufo no bre
no betimi hu de
na contact tracing fo na timi atiagum na kwamu ada ho na wotifie no so de ya behwehwe wanye se wo ko adwuma ntie hu na wo mo ana wo mo de free amana ne aba for bra enim se ebowra ye ha no ene wo no mo didi nkita ho ne nsa woso ne nyina contact tracing fo atimi de saa do ebre 2 weeks no ado so mu ahwehwe wo mo akira maye iti kofi ebaye no efri ni mienu na ekọ enso enkono afi na atwam wo ha na ekọ be ne nyina so na adwuma efo egu so a omo yesa enhanced tracing testing and treatments no into omutimenya ahunhunu the genome of strain na ababe pie ya Ghana asasi so no ya nuanum no guchi tuntumfo ya atru ba bia yenye tuntum ni yew na Europe ne hwamo kakrakafo no kura ntiminya that genome sequence no na yenya no wonkran ha into omu hwe no nsuban ni nyina na ehu se da bi yare no de efiri obi abi na aba nti nyame adom yeto ye international flights no emu no omo mbesi saa mampanyini nkomodi atin se numa na nsia na chi no o hyese wo ye Ghana ni o wo ye hwan yo ye do be hyedem kofi wan fo man ko gu school dan bia ntuntum omo
hotels
pa kofi me no kra free break ye nya bi mu na mu
be ndie no kra
ena wase o man no hunti mu nkoda ho na me ntwe aduane a mu bedi ni mu bibia aka na wotwere mienu no ne enhwese ba mu bai mu ya de hye a mu constitution no ensi mu kwan sa mu wura Ghana de eso de abesa mansan ko mu nti no ye ba fa mu fa ahudie ne kakra e de abodom ni nyina ho ban na nam sa mia na me fa ahudie anya wo na wo hye sa nti no me ba ho fa ho ka kofi nim se African kro no bi Kenya ne ho ahwam no omo no quarantine for foreign entries no by nya wa na atua wodi no hotel.
Yeah, Uganda for example.
Yes.
Wa na betua.
Wa betua wodi no hotel for the 2 weeks you are locked down. Eba mo na ye nuanum bia se ba ko so ye science student. No di atam and I know my rights and I mean say 125 na pie won se no ka ho. Inti nyame ma sa hihye no ba be so na no sa.
Okay.
And lockdown no so mu do so mu hwehwe mu ko wire ase. Inti ewie na wo hwe Europe. Na wo hwe Donald Trump ho America.
Yeah.
Na wo hwe yare no obia de pie no ho ne se de o ye ne domna. Na be hu se ye ha de no. Even though testing na ye de call ya no ni tracing ni nyina se de mampanyini kai no backlog be say 18,000 san wo chire as of Sunday na no ne ye kasa no but o de nhwehwemu a ya hunu yare no bobre to ne ye wo ye ma yi mu ha so far ni pankono a omo free 1042 as of Sunday oni edi nkomo no ahwere omo nkwa no na sa ni pankono no nyina wo severe underlying conditions a aggressive treatment a yede tutu omo maka no na no ade akọwe baby a osomu eyede ensom nti na question na begina say ene ye bekoso ama na ye say yare na kun ka ye kra fa ye no mu nti ye nyina san be hihye fia ye hunu de be because Kofi unse eba ye na ni animu no animu na no o kai se adwumaku adi kan de wo monkomo ko kire mampanyini se ebe ya won toto apunu mu no unse Ghana Medical Association omone first group on babo ntense ebe ya yenye lockdown na even mampanyini tie experts no afutufo a doctor for Dr. Nsiansaremo panyini ya no ye adwuma ewo World Health Organization or manage we are seeing Ebola ye kofa no bai omode ni nyina kire no na wono so de oman no suma ne ye bibia nkokromoti tumi de agya no so ye man nyina panyini no so ya no se debi se me se me ye lockdown kura na me se matuni nyina mu kunkure ntwa corona no de be de oyo but when we are na lockdown na nkasa so komo a de akuni pa gu mi so no inti ma loko na me umaye ne pasha eno so kura ba ana go an loko no fu ena nka zo Kofi ni nyina ne tintini ni tete ane say o mampanyini na
siesta these people continue to touch their nose mask and I don't understand why is the your nose bigger than the mask
be so me hwene no so Kofi uza ya na etwemba fom adi so me hwese intasuo no
I'm touching the mask
na Kofi nya ne ma ni kra ya se mfesa nkohwe wa hwe ya na wore Kofi ho usie makoni manu ase ena ma
okay wrap up with the first year
na me wrap na
Kofi three core areas are
nti aya fa trafie nhihye ne coronavirus ni nyina ne tofa na wieye no ye beda mampanyina se say in all the difficulties in the challenges ni nyina ni decision what take bia no I bold and decisive.
Okay,
you can personally agree or disagree with him, but me susu de
he's been on point.
He has been on point. Wa magana nim abenyam both in international circles any Africa continent iso unim se per capita no se also fine ne ya me no kese ya Ghana test coronavirus ya trace attest treat more than any other country in Africa more than any other country in Africa and we say and non chese o yi partial lockdown no say yare no ko ne mum hwehwe odi kan de ba ya ho ne die any personal protection me de ya America me nua ba say ya na me de bin sa koken because hwene no so de ya na etwe ni nyina ya ne ma ya nkoso nye Kofi unim se be si ne wo wie no de adwuma bi ja me ni me nua no MMDCs
no ka ho na
ye be ba ho ti ni nyina bo no tofa ne no nkrampo no o se ekoba se bia bi ana district bi anam patamu bi ana kro bi yare no de no ho kokoasa saaje mu spike wo ho a wa ma doctor for police for na soldier for aye kunka ye already agina ho se wo patamu ho no ye be ma wo kafi aloko down ahwe se waso ano into what the cautious optimism that therefore
okay,
and no take the decision on said and I think say come on about part 2 no the case titru no ebe gina me ni menuamo
right
MMDC
for dan chem na watching can extensively is a communicator until amambe juma na yesem for but 3 areas as MMDCs and amo amutu ewo mumpesua so to ensure set memufo no be dimra so the challenges and then you nyina betima ya abomu bibisa Professor Champon Manson ade we are exposed Ghana pa hu se nipa dodo na kom de and we are pretending to be working from political angles obia but it appears say the chunk of Ghanaians my brother live under some line bia the poverty level the war men no very high. As political leaders are motivating to empower the ordinary yebetimi aye self sufficient kakra na dependency ratio no yetimi ate so meka de mbeze ni padodo akom de wo mo yetimi apija ankrankra brabo mu na se bibi ni kura Ghana ni na timi anya ne sa akona no because wo mu a ase ni paka kra bi na edidi wo Ghana ha ni paka kra bi na dede VAT mu ni paka kra bi nti asamsia na I suppose wo man ni nyina na fe education. How do we ensure say because so these are the three things and I'll pay yebehwe but 23 minutes past 8 ansana yebeba so na fe ya extensively ya go into details edisan komono me ba sisi a yewi a yebetimi so atwa so Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council on the statement about Bontain on lifting of partial lockdown. President 3 days ago announced ye Papa anopaya mo ache de Nhyira FM.
Mejo so me chia wati fu nyina so me gisa mo hoye. Papa
mo mpa ebonti ye hoye.
Good.
Mamini Kamisa say how has it been for almost I think about a month near sorry young quenu sorry ni anopa nyina no ene ma kwose asofo ne nsorema.
Believe you we have been extremely busy because a do bring more demand as show leadership. Here Kro Yi Mu Nsem text or Facebook radio TV meetings a horror. Inti asori de nyame anim ekoso kama enhyemu de nipa ntumi nhia apart from that all other things say na Jesus is so besi na safo na sama do ntumi ntwim pa so this enam say Jesus na esi no tia say no di owu ni sama do so nti as for church life it's even better.
I see. I'm happy to hear this from you. Say it's even better because man forecast say, well, say I relax partial lockdown the ankeja. I saw the so kwasi Adam Kwan there. Ebinu mo air champions and kebeya president mumi yanko kwasi Ada.
Well, when I'm saying baby, I confuse two events. Lockdown is a separate entity. And a social standing, social distancing is separate thing. I kind of lockdown no be bano. Not present here. I prescribe and also give you directives of social distancing, washing of hands, using of sanitizers, sorry, near parties, near weddings, and those kind of things. And no di car buy. Yeah, we no be extra burden.
Okay.
Extra directives.
Okay.
And no ekoba no husafe aduane kura acheba na ma social distancing no wake enkofo se nya aduane ni yenya ba bi na any adem se kumase me kaze me video bi o
Makion tempo na nipa domabu afaso.
Enti purpose na lockdown no be serve you know na dual purpose. First to track and then track, then when it has been tracked, we test and we treat. Now, much said they were able to mobilize a lot of people and they were able to handle it. But the other purpose, it is not serving it because people were rather getting more together. And a system, it was too much. And the two, where we have achieved one another, other one is not been able to achieve 100%, Now at least the president has to make a decision. Physically, and so church here more than meeting together. Because also where 2 or 3 have gathered together in my name, there I am in their midst.
Yeah.
Any tight, any money, I don't know. Be after me, Busa. I don't want to know. Your turn, you are watching no. Road driver watching no. The Tom Pound watching no. The Okoy Juma Banson will be watching. Generating enti nukure ne nsɔre na fa de adi mu kakra nanso yesi nyinaa bɛfa saa ahokyere mu ɛberɛ a ɛtiem na ɛho atɔyen kyɛn sɛ ahokyere mu yi yɛbɛka sɛ correction ya title na offering to ɔmo mmra ebinom nso so etumi hu sɛ nsɔre no wɔ ha nti ebinom nso so through mobile phone ne ade na ɔmo yɛ ɛno na nkurɔfoɔ bebree kasa ti a unfortunately but nsɔre sika yi mekyerɛw donations paa nsɔre de ama Assemblies of God, Pentecost, Presby, Methodist, even Abandri and Kroche, we don't get this money just for ourselves. They bring a wrong conception about this thing. Coming back, I think the present decision is in the right direction. You support near promo too, but it has not cancelled the social distancing, which is more important than anything, and then the washing of hands.
I see. But Baba, Manford take some churches on, say, or more announce test line for a tight any collection, bra member CTF. What position was one saying?
Well, you don't throw the baby together with the bath water. The woman says, "Oh, it's a church, you know." They bring a wrong perception about church. And I am not surprised because, of course, you know, as often be so buy any woman here, anyone near me. If people want to dupe people, and your mobile text in Kwano, it was already there. And sign away, already some people have got negative thoughts about church. You know, it has rather created opportunity for them to do that. If you know, so genuine Christians, support they were rather sending messages to their pastors. And the pastor made them offering about made them so for such genuine people, though, it was good that opportunities were given so that they should give. And yes, people will talk about the beer we are saying. Some people will appreciate it, others will not appreciate it. In the end, I all receiving and the motive and the measuring standard because Assemblies of God are sorry be added. Sikapa aswa. Yem forcing nipa, yem compelling nipa. We will never do that. But then we also have to give people opportunity to do the genuine ones who could help. Because Kumasi Mikrama Softly be the Nyanin in the Fee and Concord for her, even those who are not Assemblies of God members. And what about the and also sure? And yes, in a democratic state, you know, it is a president the Casa Andre. A lot of people say, and yet, because it's so and the business say, and yet, and to be our baby, these things should happen. But to me, you know, a sign of democracy and freedom as I said, you're protecting. To me, no more if I'm sorry, no, it is their freedom to express their opinions. And I want to show because a lot of people were calling us software per se bois, software you support here, so we know that the churches are running. Church be a school, the Omodu Omako. Church be a hospital there, Omodu Omako. Church ye be there sometimes. Ye pe school, ye pe Prempe, ye pe Wesley, ye pe Wesley Girls, ye pe Brigades, ye pe Opokuare, ye pe St. Louis, ye keep free Koba, and the animal represent church in the year. Some of these things, you know, we the leaders should be pragmatic and accept it as human nature.
I see. For Safene be our joining discussion here, Professor, Reverend Professor from Pont Manso, President, and Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, Edin Komo. What comment the President lifting of lockdown, Pasha, Nafi, more express concern about Diania, Yenra, I to just say the Yanwani, the Yetrim, but the Yanwayano. Yebetwa so to period aso for na eshemonsa obeka mutimi chey to the satisfaction of obibia because no puna man for concern
just mutimi chey to the satisfaction of obibia aduane no a limited number edukrase say asa yeba wie na wo che wie a asa enu na say me office thereby and I'm say ya left lockdown no be able to my PNT any pair hono na also chain can it look around every and any door so nti me kwa me catch there o mo hwe so say nipa na nya ba wie enti monya ne nkitin ba kosua ba honkura na obi benya o hu se won so o ma na che bibia ama na so so but say the o ma wie nya de am gidi se bi ba bi o 2 weeks lockdown extra week o me to so no ene ma aduane no o me de ba me ye che but say the so obi an kwa na dwuma obi an pe na aduane but me pese me kire say na nye easy aduane a wo chama nyese wa sori nkwa na wo chama wo mo ye de ba ye gina banam ani ye chama di peti mantam ho nyina so kwa sorry so ye kramoni so ye denti. It was for the community, not for the church members, and we did what we could. But I want to tell you, say nanyemre so hwe adisi beki on hoye me ubi wa chimota me be bri aduane no kra sanwie no na course
eba
it wasn't easy, but we did our best. I think the president could commend feedback organization say omunaya de pa
na sorry no so here in terms of education on social distancing ebreya ye partial lockdown everywhere and considering Ghana for us what then e won ye hu o man
me da se pa unsa sorry you die ba ko and say be educate nipa na o ma ntimi anya asetina pa yesu se me bai na mo nya nkwa na mo nya na mo so enti apart from say ye encourage social distancing, ye encourage hand washing, ye encourage say ye nchiachia nnyoma no ye chire nipa ekọ obetimi afa so atena se ye ahwe no ho so ya saa ya re betimi atwam enu nti na ya na hayen say asofo bi ne nsori bi ntimi nya abotre say yen na omo ebubu mrano so kofa no ma bi ba and it was na ya sefim Yesu Kristo kura no ukwa Yohana sempa there was a time na Jew for no pen ekunu no obo no ho adwa na emu mebre so se esese owu no sabre no ono akọ Jerusalem eme ebo na se nduam wo so Herod pen ekunu no na busuafo kọbọ no adwa ewo Egypt ekopum se Herod wu ya ansa na ode yede na ba amana be na dwuma enu nti etru ba bia esese nipa ye ebo ye ho adwa enu nti asori no de position se de abaya kan ontwa asori mu onsi asori kwa onsi nyam
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Okay, 36 minutes past 8, live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Yene Honorable Joseph Usu, Odenchem, Dean of all DCs in Ashanti Region and District Chief Executive at Master Farm Plains. Odenchem, yen share our first issue. President is the various MMDCs more ensure social distancing on authorized public gathering nesane many nyina no ebitimi I minimize it and I'm open na move to approach because what they na lockdown bi ni ho
yeah I think that
area hono so ye area e we chiri kakra wan hwe ya ibebu ya ni aguni because even commands bra ukọ kwa homa e chiri ho ba bi ni ade a manfo hu ni say asa yare na kurumfo yare o hwe video bi ho ba bi akobi o dadi nkufi so on there obo na pc edinti ye na ewu kurum ye nye yare sa myth we die ni ye
Govia ya sempa na edibusa said the obusa no say uzumi into the district level said they now can say me ho say such a from place ne yan kan lockdown but then in komono utie there one prof kana things we no so kra gina a minute or ho akire ne mamu ye de komono fra ebema na ye den
okay
un say restrictive act na parliament shase na dimrika ko ehhehye mama mpanyini se ya obenya emratumi ede agina so etu anama na otutu ni nyina no
okay
unso odika ne Ghana kasai ye first broadcast no and sana parliament etutu mrika ko ye mra ne de abre no act 1012 no na manhihye ode ba ni nyina nyamra ta ekire Inti first phase no kra no kasa ye no achi ne binom so nimremu na untumi nhye nipa na enti mra no ba na afede
obi aka na no atum na efri ho no nyina no sa act no parliament hyehyɛ omo yede mama mpanyini a omo na hye mra ma mpanyini de bo man no ho ban ne de ka ho nyina no omo de hye mu se de ono ne na futufo ebe susu ama no a obe hye bia no or the executive instrument ena ebe hye na ma okay
inti act no ma no to me no ne broad spectrum no now the executive instrument na kire ebia de opeso ye
okay
unse oni yak din komo etosu num no I think say no na chi no na enenam from so yes man panyina san be extend lockdown no 2 weeks
yeah
kofina or the is EI 62 or 63
yeah.
I may stand for correction ena na atoto ye borders num Kofutepa into obeto lockdown no mu 1 week ka ho no sam komo na mu no so no we extend border closures no 2 weeks
2 weeks yeah
into binum say for mischief say dey yo e shada den sam komo no me no fry
yeah
yes man panyina sam beto e mu no awotwe me no into EI bia no executive instrument bia
awani akire
awodi e wo ka akire Ghana for into lockdown no eno no EI by na watchre de wesa wo ye hihya wo de be hye wo man nyina ena de odi ede social distancing no edin di can by answer na lockdown no ba Kofi follow me power on this one name more tie for ne yente ase
me too
into social distancing ne public gathering ne political activities in one nyina EI no
different
from lockdown no year into local Kumase ne the contiguous districts no ejoso bosomtwe afija kwa bresa afkode entuma wa beja south nkawe menu awuku ho entuma wa beja north mama Rebecca Berkese so ena eye kwabre east inti Kumase na daroma obeba motete so ame ene asokwa ofori krom ene kwada so ene otafo efri KM dada na ne ye wono ofa KM na ne nuamu new commerce no bomu no ena ode atwoma kwa nwoma na ye ayetwa ne ho ahia ne nyina saa so fam ho ena na otu din greater Kumase area na bi mu so omonte da no but in our development planning it has always been there into area no na no ye lockdown areas but no che say wo lockdown area no mu a public gathering
emrada da na
aye na yanko en sorry dan mu aye nhia mu ne ho ahwa ne de wo afa ho di
David is already
and no de di kan kra di animu into all ye Sunday lockdown restrictions in every one one meyi ye hu nhia mu die political activism ne de di kan ba ye no
okay
into what it was happening they say yankro munkuma ne rural districts no to say me ho no na nhyehyɛ na edi kan ba ya e try say
yenye yi
e be boy ho ba ya free
sorry
dom nhye mu no de na ho nhyehyɛ wo ho a ye de ye adwuma
okay
nti ye ne ye dasek bambofo hyiae
okay
ye ne district health emergency committee hyiae na kofi say bibi fama no mum putuprumu te se de omutu wedi se pandemic no ye na gitwi afoma ni nyina sa district public health emergency committee na ebre normal times se de ye bia ye de nim dada no normal times mu no district health director and the sa committee no so
okay
in on normal times mu no district chief executive and the chairs our committee no
okay
inti declaration ba say they have to man ni say ni ye no na hyehyɛ free empanyin for the directive aba ama ya zumi chair personships of these committees are a shampomudin honsem.
Okay.
The Mikra de me cambo mu one of our inaugural meetings and after inaugurating the new committee under my chairmanship and me can ye ne abambo for no meeting ba kubom.
Okay.
Eshia hunu say yare ne de yare helpful for.
Yeah.
Nanso no ho na mo mampanyini de aba no so na montuo no so no adodo na ye security.
Yeah.
Nti akwa no ho dual role. Health security combo. Nti ehia ba mu nyina hu say ye hoso de ne ye. Because what we did in initial stages in say me were 3 main entry exit points.
Okay.
Into me search from planes asase tam kakraka nyina. So wo come from planes ho a na wo me district na mu na wo kwa o main entry o de nam asante achem agogo.
Okay.
Na wawura mu ho etwa zongo kwan no o de apie mu ana ni krom dukusen na de abesi efisre afram no so ho na administrative boundary no
some kwa eastern region koboshi
ekwa kopie mu donko krom. Nti nested between eastern region and Asante Achem North no is such a from plains no mema from plains side of my district.
Okay.
Nti ano na wura mu na utwa afisre no ebepie abotentre na oba samso mo si panyini Hamidu tuntumu a na meme nkro na da kwa no ho no na me ne eastern region from plains south akobo hye wodome.
Okay.
Na watra so hwa kwankro na de atwamu hwa ma me krobo donko krom. Now the Vremu who is in region mono. Into my front plains no center line a madrama way. Now funny ni faswa. What room was it penny cronan quantia no amane bosom 4 junction, happy bosom 4 or the aqua coma, fumsua of charity, sakora, ampon. Ufri ampon honmu hosusono. Nay assigning a front plains out of no bosh ye.
Okay.
Etowas will take base in ano. Now ba me bon kum so a onam eye Hamidu achi ho edi pie eye Yakubu eye ademra ukopie mu eye we na aba upie mu awona botan odi besi eye ubon kum so konfenini asubu so na obo no kwa prekesi ase esisiwa otra sisiwa duru prekesi ase na okọ agwon villager o ben sa abum no na wasan be pie mu wo Anyinofi enclave. Inti ya kwa de pembe asisiwa na ni etwaja ni akofa free afa Anyinofi mpatam ho.
Okay.
Na no so ho de sa anti what we did was na adehia no complaining about abusuafo a omututu akwan na binom won kran ni kumase ni e ka se omuntena fie no mo abubo mu bomu kwan e de toaye wo yempatam ho. Nti omu na nkraba yesi obi abehya drobon so o de coronavirus abana Kro Yi nyina oh meda na nanom ase na nada nkwadwubisia ne na trankonya ena Anyinofi hine na namponsa kakabone na trankonya ene medikrofo a wa from plains wo nyina because eba ntem na no mama ya swate nti medicine health director eya na ne nkran ne de sample aba KCC a
oh okay
na fe results of maya na metosa because go fi say ekobase obi awia no ho de bi awura ye ho a
I just a community ne there
hey
ododo be nya because I say
yeah so what I said
social distancing near the other
so you know intino eba mu no ye nhyehyɛ sa no assembly to anamo epe temperature guns ya modi bi asimu security hoy echema ye ne committee no health and security committees no inti ya boban ewo drobonso odi bewura mu no du dagomba ye boban wo ho udu ho security ne health for no ho
be check o
ye be gina wo ye ho ye be gina wa check o temperature ne nyina ye da so ye
okay I think that
and ye ko boban so wo ayese ne so Anyinofi eno so o trase ne river na ye ne atebubufo bo hye na wura ye mu tie man ko duru Anyinofi fi ansa na ye hu nti se ne so ho a eno so team wo ho ene ye de another team ekosi afram prince abotentri se wo twam mihyenum na baba betwam bia na wo free barrier ho na wo kosi akochia obi nti me pese me hu de ode na mansa ti sa hye ne baaye no ye sa fa so kofi eche niema Veronica bucket ya ye maame ya o invent ade abrofo kra ebe wi abekoi ho nneɛma ɛyɛ aban no ɛde nneɛma bae ma yɛ kyɛɛ almost every community still cry no there are some communities amo request so mbe hia bi ɛne ho seminar tissue a de ntia yɛ ma won hohoro won sa na won fa handkerchief mpepa mfa nhyɛ obotom na won store virus no ti tissue no ato akone ɛne ho de ka ho nyinaa yɛ de kosom yɛ ɛyɛ hand sanitizer no kwa de mema no me deputy me organizer ne the deputy kosua ye
okay
into your back community education na mba na tena ho no mo ma no so atena ho aye hand sanitizer no ho on site na dodo na ebesoso ne ache but then the main was ensuring semana ne nsa hohoro no into me public education district health emergency committee no emu aboafo enam district no mu nyina ye the education on the hygiene and the hand washing and the social distancing no na ni nyina soso na ni eguso monitor se ba se bibi pie baabi a ebetima ye ntem akotum kure.
And for now on persuasion there's no recorded
for now the test suspected cases are the samples by be se num ni nyina
obia ni one
positive negative and for now ne de meka se bibi MP ho sa eguso bo nya mempa ye se o ma bi ema ne ye ho
mu wodwa e wo ho
ye wodwa inti sa adwa no ho nkomo no enti na man nkomo no me pen ne first phase nse mechemu mienu no lockdown ne no ho nkomo ena social distancing order no inti anu dwa no ana echechire so ne ho ahwa na enyina first step ne se me ma ye trete dwa no
okay
inti sabodefo a na me yi o makogu azie park ne so
me go mo ho kumasefo ne adai fa ne ma o
no mo firi oba pa on sabodie ne bayire yes
bodie sare
team sabayirefo ne do makogu presby park ne so
okay
saburofo a na me yi o mako Roman park and so
that was then sisi amoda so yes I
mean say e chena gya ye bedi kura no
okay
es no an de tan de be ye
di man e free kumase kono so no mo test wo mo ansa no mo wura
na barrier no ntwamu dagomba hansa no odudobo so
every car bia be
car bia menkofo ya nyame adom omo je mampanyini hihye etu mu a one district one factory ombesi factory o me hoi marofoi so omo no adwuma ne bi no omo office ankasa wo agogo
okay
enti omo no de ma me de barrier no ebesi dagomba junction ho no omo no ebom wo ana ne kromu ho no ma be pie mu wo enhyiae so bebi amene agogofo bohye no wo de ba mu ho no
to mo tra
azoke ebe pie we namda no ma be si dagomba kotia ho
okay
enti utwe no wo drobon so barrier ho a de wonu si dagomba no amese no
okay
timi yi barrier no ede kwa omo intersection ho enti marofo no adwuma efo a omo so omo ka ma no pa edo mo ba adwuma drobon so ko nyina including omo supervisors me the picture kire wa ubedu oni asan omo la na ye check obi temperature
I see
min check wa wonko
that's good
min check wa wonra ho enti ye that to give ya this year no the assurance say ya kamu no nko ade a
ye bebo ye ho
ba
I am moving for is a very important thing
so ya market ne sa SPC out na kofi na ya national minister so the directive aba through Rexec say na watwe dwa no a defeat mampanyini social distancing no enti no wato na watwe dwa no. In fact, I cannot say no many nkomo ya. I have to confer with him say on that directive no, or relax now on relax because on relax ya. Yes. Exactly. On relax ya it means say a china you drop on so jadam. Emma so for foreigners. Nemu me baso for yen local market. Yes. Inti yenu no mo ewo unu ya don kokrom ho ise kura ne. Abofo elfa kama ene nyamiama number 1 number 2
okay
kwabenedu ene abulai ene omo mpatam ho nyina no omo bro ne ho ahwa ne de ometim de ababdobon so fie na bia adobon so ni bi wo bro so patwa
okay
but say wo free bodoma se any kumewu any afijase ne adwoso se wo badrobo nso dwade me mama
okay nti sisi anoma prevent
yes ne ma ahoho no meja
travel
community market
I think says a regional minister ban no is not lifted
and I make it
still in
me confer with him na say still no on pejaya sa weekly market no entimi maso but then yeah community ni dey timi bedija but no cry no we still observe the social distancing no you very important mesre me nuamo MMDC nyina ebi mu dwa soso eno ana ebi no mu confer with me me nia o offenso Nhyira's Solomon Kese na ebi mu confer with me me nia o dwaben and sasem now they were conferring with me inti sema regional minister weekly journal order no is still in force amesre so mo hwe no mo observe pa na social distancing in the market no na hwehwe ba akokora enam kwamu ba aminim say bia na wotwe nko na wie na abedru ne say nsema mpanyini ka say local government ministry any MMDs ni assemblies ni yenhwe say social distancing ne protocols na ye no market ni ade ni nyina na ye bekoso ama na ye den ade ni yatena ti what is coming is say ministry no beboaye ama ye de kata ye hwini
okay
mask na enye surgical way one yibi the
normal
Ministry
one
of Trade emoma ya Ghana factories for no ayiye bi no omo bra assembly bia bi but no first target groups no be ye markets no inti ye the policy be ba a time
I be enough
first tranche no I think say it's over 3,000 pieces
na dwadi fo wo mpehwa ne so momro sa
me honti na me kan sisu say yenu no mu bi no adwa no soso tibia entumi so because policy e pese de ban say following mampanyini directive after the 7th komodie ye be ye bibi no mask no market
okay to baby or
baby a wo redwamu to ade ana wo a wo redwamu akoto ade no unni face covering na enkoye bia mask no nko a bia handkerchief cry na dey above me say bibi kata no no ahwene ansa no awuradwam
I think say is a very good thing.
Yes.
Mabuzafo enche be kwakofa voice note ya pick phone calls kakra. We'll be wrapping up in the next 10 minutes.
Yes.
Inti ya bebo papa so. Inti me were two issues I okay. touch on which is very important. Inti for now one mama tiase say one we ensure social distancing edwa in the next few days to come obebia eme edwadi ni bi obewura mo market Joseph face mask
anywhere wo ko dija o ton ne de okoto
bi obewura mbia
no o ton ne de okoto akafo a efa edwadifo koba obia wo me market space no se de matetimu no se main center ho no o ja se wo de mask akata wa no ana se hanky bi ebo wa no ye ma ne nam ho enkasa ntutungu manfo so sa
okay abzafo yemfa few voice notes na yensanto ankomo so but ye begusu so apeke mo questions and concerns amode beba ye ne odanchem DC at the master from plains.
Good morning. Minim mechia wa bedwafo nyina de me pese me kan na no pe ni say hwese eye information minister mu a o compare Ghana to Germany. Yemisi ho say yen ye epicenter say hotspots na almost so identify no ma testing the padodo say wo enu nti wo ka say Germany left in the ban even Germany crown left in the ban all easy restrictions no yen they are left cra and after social gathering be na chen makola any central market social gathering be sorry be any buffer so chen central market dey ekoso no enti me dem hu ni say mampani decision ni there in fact ankoyi cry and we are ahead of the virus ewo hin
Kofi child of Jafo nyina sebi pam kasa first mase mapam ko modi ne ma bi on se we osofo no fe osofo panino fat wa kasa ba paniaji pa de kasa tisisu wacha so nyame ni pa na bi wudo pa pese bi ni he o man mu on ka sa da kuma to yam pa na me chira papa mudi na me chira bunyina
na ba Kofi Asante ye frɛ me Patrick me kasa free ahensa abu nsu mo pɛ na majo so thank you ma menchia JB dan kwa wosono papa ɛna lawyer John Kuma ɛna lawyer Asumi busuntwi DC Kofi sɛ wo hwɛ ensɛm a amanfo kan ɛna NDC fo kan na nana ɛna wabi yentem ɛna DND a NDC fo wo mo ho ahomete papa yewura si edun ketia ka kire Ghana fo se nana pe election awiem nti na onye de sese wo ye nyame hu ndisi fo mobo masema meka no thank you
Insurati for nyame shramo mechia obi a efrem na podwene am kase frem menhia my president Abaso or lifting ya wa lift ya dibia bebo Ghana for do na the message still social distancing de yam fa nwa adwuma etifo mumien manana for more years because it's been a long time a president be kasa ya de chen isu ato ama suko chen nyina yi eno chese nyame hira Ghana nyame hira president Kufuor so me man 4 more years to do more.
A friend me collaboration do make us free Asante Achimbanka. Lockdown ya na de ba Accra ni Kumasi no nanka ehun hia yie pa. Nanso esanse Ghana for jedifo hye dem a omo kasanti ama sisi omo de pressure kese pa to government ne so masisi a wase bie se obia intumi nko market. Yesre ye maame mo ne Ghana fo nyina se omo hwe se social distance aye kan nyina no obia betumi adi so kama said ya boni bia intimi nsi wo manim na president so nhyehyɛ ode baa no ebetumi aye kama na mamo.
Hello, good morning, bravo. From Kabaya Bwam kase Frinton so ti mo mpani statement no a ode maa no a na hwɛ na misati information minister so intro mo de abano a anka hotspot areas na akano almost the remaining 18,000 we no ya wona ka still na gon lucky room na ye business na akano mo na no public ai think only good me my public business no o me my na indi me business na fe o mo tracy o mo akano no mo intime intesti o mo akana fe hu de that's it.
Kofi Asante, mama good morning. No abega for no tifo nyina. Echiamo na no pay. Kofi, ese aduane ya che egusu koso. Se oba bu akwa makura. Na be park yisu nipa abodom pema. Kofi asefem na rehosem. Social distances na Kofi nyantete entemo. Se oba bu akwa makura park yisu pa nipa egu apa mso e be che aduane no. Kofi nyatsem keto akura. Tiasra mo mo ma prifo na e me hwe na omonye bibia ma wa yesra mo pa. Bye bye.
Kofi, good morning. Kofi, lockdown we are on there is not of technical BR no manyao, a political grounds. NPP for person go your premise and one tra. Bye.
Kofi Asante, good morning. We do Adaroma, Amufa Bakopa Maka Santime, Mufuriku Municipal Dr. Yemando Kabrama for the person as soon as we do. Na Yema made Sawadonko, our water from Paucrono, Dr. Mechel Bibi. Kofi, the Penfoka Bibi say Abua Kramai, one in the cool room Nasa was saying, who is a Kramai was saying, but Nipa was saying a woo that. Your Hanu na ye nyina yesi ye obi anya na famu de ye famoa ema ye ntu yale dom yase na so ye nia ye ho ye boye ho wiki de boye ho buga na kwaye fa so ye to bari yase enkwa ha ena yare da kwa koduru ho na ye nia ye ho no ye twa ye ho akofa akire ba bi ne kwa kowura na ye dada aban na opani ba ko ebisa se de ye hwan na ye dada no ye bone e chiro man no e adwen bone na yin na de to man mu e ye se aban ama ne saso na se obi anko bone bra medase
Hello, Kofi Asante. Good morning. Your friend Anoche make us a free Santasi. Kofi mi pa cho na naso wa left man na free so. Nti obi ati me kɔ na adwuma. Kofi mi pa cho so hwe na se wo kokrom na so usura. So ubetimi atena fie. Eno no enho ha wo bia. But obi office ono so ni aduane bi di obetimi akɔpɛ bibi kakra okrom ne ma ne irma bi di. Ono so obetimi akɔ ba hwe na di so hwe no yi. Endinya se na na left band nti wasi yenko wo left band na me yakobu. Didi am dase me ma amanfo ni bi nso etiase no. Kofi me dase.
Okay, absafo ya ne odenchem da so studio ha papa anopa ono so wo ha yenya ntene nka obebem ansa ne rapper but yenyi we free ona ye ma me wie nkomo no we odenchem.
Efiri ni mienu na ekọ enson enkono afe na atwam wo ha na ekọ be ni nyina so na adwumayefo egu so a omo yesa enhanced tracing testing and treatments no nti omo timinya ahunhunu the genome of strain na ababe pie ya Ghana asasi so no ya nuanum no guchi tuntumfo ya tru ba bia ya nye tuntumu ni yew na Europe ne hwamu kakrakafo no kura ntiminya that genome sequence no na yenya na wonkran ha nti omu hwe no nsuban ne nyina na ehu se da bi yare no de efiri obi abi na aba nti nyame adom yeto ye international flights no emu no omu mbesi saa mampanyini nkomodi atin se numa na nsia na chi no o hyese wo ye Ghana ni o wo ye hwan yo ye do be hyedem Kofi wanfo man ko gu school dan bia ntuntum omo hotels pa Kofi me no class free break ye nya bi mu na mu ben de no kra na wase o man no hunti mun koda ho na me ntwa aduane amu bedi ni mu bibia aka na wotwiri mienu no ne enhwese ba mu bai mu ya de hye mu constitution no ensi mu kwan se mu wura Ghana de eso de abesa mansan ko mu nti no ye be fa mu fa ahudie ne kakra e de abodom ne nyina ho ban na nam se me na me fa ahudie anya wo na wo hye sa nti no me ba ho fa ho ka Kofi nim se African Kro no bi Kenya ne ho ahwam no omo no quarantine for foreign entries no by nya wa na tua wodi ane no hotel.
Yeah, Uganda for example.
Yes.
Wa na betu
wodi ane no hotel for the 2 weeks you are locked down. Eba mo na ye nuanum bia se ba ko so ye science student. No di atam and I know my rights and I want minim say 125 for na pie hon se no ka ho. Inti nyame ma sa hihye no ba be so na no sa.
Okay.
And lockdown no so mu do so mu hwehwe mu ko vire ase. Inti ewie na wo hwe Europe. Na wo hwe Donald Trump ho America.
Yeah.
Na wo hwe yare no obia de epie no ho ne se de o ye ne domna. Na be hu se ye ha de no. Even though test na ye de call ya no ni trace ni nyina se de mampanyine kai no backlog base 18,000 san wa chire as of Sunday na no ne ye kasa no but o de nhwehwemu a ya hunu yare no bobre to ne ye o ye ma yi mu ha so far ni pankono a omo 3,042 as of Sunday oni edi nkomo no ahwere omo nkwa no na sa ni pankono no nyina wo severe underlying conditions a aggressive treatment a yedi tutu omo maka no na no ade akowre baby a osomu eyeden ensom nti na question na begina say ene ye bekoso ama na ye say yare na kun ka ye kora fa ye no mu nti ye nyina san be hihye fia ye hunu de ye be ye because Kofi unse eba ye na ni animu no animu na no o kai se adwumaku adi kan de o monkomo ko kire mampanyini se Ebeya want to apunu mu no. Unse Ghana Medical Association.
Yeah.
Omo first group on babo nte say ebeya yenye lockdown.
Yeah.
Na even mampanyini tie experts no afutufo a doctor for Dr. Nsiasaremo panyini ya no ye adwuma ewo World Health Organization or manage we are seeing Ebola kofa no bai. Omodi ni nyina kire no na wono so de oman no suma ne ye bibia nkokromoti tumi de agya no so ye man nyina panyini no. So ya no se debi. Se me se me lockdown kura na me se matuni nyina mu kunkure ntwa. Corona no de be ende oyo. But when we are not lockdown na nkasa so komo a de akuni pa agu mi so no. Inti me loko na me umaye ne pasha. Eno so kura ba ana go an loko no fu. Ena nka so kofi ni nyina ne tintini ni tete ane say. O mampanyini na
siesta these people continue to touch their nose mask, and I don't understand why. Is the your nose bigger than the mask?
But yes, I me no kofi uza ya na etwemba fom. Adi so me say intasuo no.
I said touching the mask.
Na kofi nya ne ma ni kura ya say empresa nkohwe. Wa hwe ya na wo re kofi ho usiye makoni manu ase. Ena ma
okay, wrap up with the first year.
Na me wrap up
na kofi. Three core areas are
yeah, fa trafie nhihye ne coronavirus ni nyina ne tofa na wieye no ye beda mampanyina se say in all the difficulties in the challenges ni nyina ni decision a what take bia no I bold and decisive.
Okay,
you can personally agree or disagree with him,
yeah,
but me susuemu de
he's been on point.
He has been on point. Wa magana nim abenyam both in international circles. Any Africa continent iso.
Yeah.
Unim say per capita no say also fine ne ya me no kese ya. Ghana test coronavirus. Ya trace attest treat more than any other country in Africa. More than any other country in Africa. And we yeah, me too. Quickly, me fa search from Prince enye pilot ma. Once aban sha se no. Prof. Ekan. Oh, education. To no aka to so say. No ka ho bi. Na free SHS no. O touch the campaign no. Because education one of your easiest and fastest equalizer.
Okay.
Kofi mimiti we maton rubber bag o bode nyina o na say e ba lockdown e say Dr. Mensa ho sa shall be na say ye wo ho a na ke memu ene asoja fo ko close o mu da no junction na wo di wura bode mu ho no magina ho aton rubber bag mfie be nsia.
I see
me o poku are me makwan amanfo ma dada for my co extra classes ni ho ahwan Kofi Asante chemistry no one no more co prempe ne yiba na me bo joint bo rubber
no to rubber. Life has never been fair.
Exactly. But nyaminti ye de ne hon kakran no ene enye educational ka unua ohiani waba
can't mean
ka me ne he benya aban ani adom say ko gina manam wo search farm place e ma me nua no mako 43 say ye hwe de also ze wi awano awo na awuya dayano into education a first equalizer.
Okay.
Here bubroni in disparities in one nyina no.
Is about education.
No e sha ase a into mampanyina na mo a o sha ase say o de o man no enwu sika kakra ene akonhoman sika kakra betete Ghana for mad for the Dutch no. The first step towards equalizing the field.
Okay.
Na no na chi no suso no. Me search from Prince ni madehye. Odi kwia no bae mu.
Okay.
Kwia na ye grow negative no. Obaye within 3 years may you grow positive. Into uba me kwia foi. They say mechanization ya wodo mentratesi. Ado is do sui.
I don't know mu.
Hey, the do from Prince near do he near do ebi mu kwa se me fidie ne nya papa. Afa ani na wotwe na na mu na do. You see, these are the self-empowerment are buying through rural districts. No, you bet me empower into no penny na be an emfia bro so say, or to me man home opportunity be able through education. Or no nya buy more they saw nuclear naseno. na abanya fa ne ba no school ho ka nyina free amano na kora ne da ache ye bright as no papa.
I see.
Kofi miwia.
Yes.
On ka ni nyina nkogu mu. Me de krata bi to ma ne osesi a. Onya ye saa o. Enuma nyina achi ne lockdown mu nyina so eguso. A school dan ye hia na me yi trees and the schools e free ho. Ye prugum. They free gafan. They makọ lobby ni GMPC. They free 1 million one constituency. Ye prugum sa. Rural electrification. Mete say madam fu bi kone na mfichire ho ise kura ne ade say ai na dam fu boga bi na o se nko obeye kane amai mesro krata anu kura mwa ha 6th of January 2020 na me call Miura Oreku Afija kwa Abres South MP ho Deputy Minister for Energy ekosu misu nyina egu no so a China Water Project a free Asante Achema gogo eba wode me de ka o mo ho me nkro free eye kama ise kura etwa mo ho no ma benua de ko nyina yongo bi si boga bi na nke ebe ya mesra mo krata ni wa ha me ba me sra mo a me de krata be ba be kire mo bebi akofi me no si no ya keka kono yari abese yekom
sure
ba no so nkire se ye nkoye nim de man panyina hye bia na ye di hu nkomo ye nhwe na no no nyina mu no so no o ma ye brese e say the political activities no ho no so no wo pagya ne nsa ye ba ye no mo ba di politics no ne de aban na nkasa ye masecha from please e bra we mu de
Isaba
mo yare ne sa mebo mo ho ban na bi mra emma me mpata mo adwuma na me ye
medase
medam nyina se jame nhira madehye was a
thank you very much papa tetam na so just a comment na yen sorry nkona
thanks confirm the time na so
yeah time so man for me didwa kakra
initiative confirm say nura me can say bi chire Ghana for but I don't know said the president enya dia obeka say or lift the partial lockdown na woman in for nyayade go is what you say I mean no president will ever do this say me share that lift lockdown
na monko they study the ground
so me I think NDC statement was also premature. Even though they also say the president this is a premature, I think they also statement is so premature. Coffee at this time you should listen to the conscience of Ghanaians
and the experts
because in any case the president speaks on data and information
and advice.
Okay. Reverend Samuel DSP Nyamiche.
Okay. The video now
trend no. Baby your team can be Kofi Anope Reverend DSP Samuel Nyamiche. Commander one of the coffee. Say, he works or he's so passionate about the Juma. I'm up for so much. For feeling. I'm up for feeling. What is my China? Over the day. With us, production to has been to this Kakusia, OTDC, Joseph Wilson, Modancha Dean of all these seas and district such a from place. We need to do about Kovia. For a man for take over. I'm on for. Where you about you say no? Dynamics. The radius. Yes, Nanki G Yabem. Nanki G Yabem.
Number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada Anopebia Ebono Nsia Pausima Edwana Ekosi Nonsoa Yatuni di Premier Sports Sanso ene ewia Yetnasi biem Anopa Nonkono Ebo Pausima Edwana Ekosi ewia dumienu anoso Yatuni di Power Sports na fe Nomiensa Ekosi no 9 enoso Yatuni di Playoff na yede Memeda de enso ede asomo so don hwemiensa ena Memeda bia yetnase free anopa na nkono ekosi awia dumienu dwumadie ho chiame nsam no de nyina na yabo no ayede eba dwumadie me de bright kan kamwodu kwabena open afie OB twice happen under Jose this can't happen under Carlo this can't happen under Pep Bismarck also bempa Ayala the motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say ball here bebo Christian edu say what is on the premise in also just the boss ko say that is on kobi yes amana nsam no eba no Andy Casillas Real Madrid against FC Barcelona and then Najman Pomodia said the Bia on Mrs. program way na the global show. Your number number 1 Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pa husima aduana Ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pa husima aduana Ekosi ewia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa Ekosi no 9 eno so yato ne din Playoff na ye de Memeda de no so e de asomo so don hwere miensa ena Memeda bia yetena se free anopa nonkono Ekosi ewia dumienu dwumade ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne abo no aye de eba e ojumade me de bright kan kan bodu
kwabena obe afie OB twice
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also Bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football, I need a bigger interest, and I say, Bonnie,
Christian, I do say,
what he said on the premise in Chelsea, just send the boss question that is on copy. Yes,
I'm on an Ensemble Ebana Andy Casillas,
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona,
and then a Najman. Pomodia said the Bia, oh, Mrs. Program way, now the global show.